What is going on, YouTube? Wow, really, Jayhawk? Really, Jayhawk? All right, we gotta have a talk later. Anyway, oh man, I forgot to mute you.
Yeah, I forgot to mute you too. That's why, and I forgot to turn my lights on.
It is good Thursday, man. I swear these weeks just be flying by. Like, I feel like Monday comes and then it's like already Thursday. It's already the end of the week. Price action has been absolutely trash, except for in the overnight session or right in the morning when news hits and we want to just pump in one direction. But hopefully you guys had a great day yesterday trading, an amazing night. we were in the Discord chilling. I'm not long. I wish I was long. Hell, I'd have came in here with a whole different energy if I was long right now, boy. I'm not long.
Justin,
I'm not.
You know my situation, right? You know my situation.
I'm not long on. I'm not long on.
Jay, they said Jay is long.
I'm not long on NQ anyway. I may be long elsewhere, but not.
He's long. He's long. He's just not long on NQ.
I wish I was long on NQ.
Look, let me tell y'all. First of all, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Trader Shop. Good morning, Jay Seals. You already know what it is, sir. But y'all already know we usually come with some stories. This one's about trading and not football, thank God. But this morning, whatever, I was in the shorts on NQ at the high. Cut the trade. Came back in here. I saw the long setting up before the news. I get long at like 445, 446, basically the bottom. Now, I normally get my kid dressed and then, get other things done before, I move on with my day. But today, I knew it was news this morning. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to just get in this trade because I think we about to go up. Like, I think we about to go up nasty style. My wife comes in and she's like, baby, you got to get the baby dress. I'm like, you know how you at the computer, you like, do I cut the trade? And then all of a sudden I was like, man, I'm in take profit. I should probably cut the trade because I'm not supposed to be trading during news. I cut the trade at 4.45, 4.6 for like $90, something like that, like a 4.7, whatever it was. I was in 2 minis. I told my wife, I said, now watch. I said, this market is about to rally about 100 points. I said, I cut the trade because of news. You know what I mean? Because I wasn't sure if I could trade during news. So I just cut it just to be on the safe side. So I come back in here. I tell Justin, he's like, nah, you didn't take profit. He's like, as long as it's not like FOMC or something like that, like you good. I'm like, word? And then y'all could just look at the charts and fill in the blanks on the rest of the story. Like y'all could just really look at the charts and go from there. But anyway, I didn't do a pre-market plan because again, I was trading this morning. I am a trader first, right? Like so. But at the same time, I kind of know exactly what I want to, not exactly want to do, but I kind of know the areas of interest I'm going to be looking for. But I'll let Justin jump right into the ES plan first, and then I'll jump in behind you with the NQ plan.
Yeah, so my ES plan and NQ plan are exactly the same, just different levels, which is kind of funny. But I know you got it. So we had this 4-hour demand or supply zone we were talking about this morning with the Discord. I was very, very bullish on this supply zone, aka I thought we was gonna break it, and we did. We pumped right through, and now what I'd be looking for is a retest somewhere in this zone. Maybe the 50% of this whole entire move. Oops, that's not what I wanted. The 50% of this whole entire move, something like this, to retest it. Which that's crazy. These candles are actually the same. Wow. Okay. Well, anyway. A retest of this area to potentially go long would be great, or there is like a lot of consolidation in this area. So if we do end up giving back this move, I expect this 15-minute demand zone to hold down here. I had 15-minute demand and 30-minute demand that was created yesterday. We're probably not coming back down here, so I had to ixnay that. But above us, we have 4-hour supply at 5.3, 25.50, and that's all-time highs, ladies and gentlemen. So if ES gets back up there, I don't have anything else really. And if it gets back up there today,
it's not a trade NQ.
Yeah, if it gets back up there today, I mean, we do have a little bit of structure here in this area. So for longs, I'd be targeting this structure if we can get back up here. And then I expect some type of turbulence here, maybe some consolidation or something in this area before either rejecting or moving or continuing to move up. But there's not really much after we get above here other than this consolidation before the dump. So yeah, if we break this, which I think we'll reject it one time before we end up breaking it. But if we break above this, then, we're back in price discovery again. And yeah, we're out of there. So we'll see what happens. But it looks like NQ right now also is leading the way in terms of strength. So that's something also to look out for if you're trading or ES. So.
No doubt. Appreciate you, brother. Always a pleasure listening to you discuss the Cadillac of instruments over there.
The Cadillac. It's the grandpa of the stock market.
Yeah, it takes a while. You know how you got to warm up the old Cadillacs, but once they get going, baby, they you know what I mean, they'll run forever. That's how I look at ES, because I mean, it keep getting above all-time highs and set new all-time highs, and NQ is struggling to put that get above its all-time highs.
It has no, it literally has no chill.
No. So anyway, NQ, same type of thesis here. I know we have the Tokyo section, I know we have Tokyo down here on the 45-minute demand. So if the market wants to come down and sweep this low, that'd be awesome, except it would also change the character of how bullish this market is. So I just don't see us coming back down here anytime soon. I think the bulls have officially spoken, right? Like, I think this is the fact that we consolidated here, right, overnight, after this aggressive rally. I think this rally was letting us know, hey, we back in the building. And if we didn't sell off this entire rally, which we didn't, we literally came to the bottom of this rally and then pushed all the way back up, right? And higher, right? The fact that we got above this overnight candle right here, the fact that we got above this level lets me know that this consolidation was price acceptance because it yielded a new high. Therefore, I'll be looking for retest inside of this 1 hour demand zone. Not only that, this is previous day high as well, right? So multiple confluences inside of this structure here. Love to see a push back into this consolidation before we start to trade higher. But now that we're pushing back into the fives again, I just don't see us coming all the way back down here to threes. Stranger things have happened, but I think unemployment claims was like the last thing the market was waiting on before, I think, non-farms tomorrow. I think we got non-farms tomorrow. Anyway, however, to the short side, if you're looking to short the market, I think 18,557 through roughly about 18,602.50 is going to be that next 4 hour supply area that we're looking for. And then after that, it's just going to be all-time high push, right? Which I think we're pretty much, we're set up to do an all-time high push today. Like, the stocks are agreeing with this move. The VIX is selling down. Like, there's multiple reasons to feel like this could be the day where the bulls take back control, right? If we zoom out and look on the daily chart, oh my God, this is my first time zooming out and looking at the daily. This thing looks disgusting. So, I mean, if you look at it, like we've been talking about, like, all of this is just consolidation, right? A falling wedge pattern, right? The bears had their opportunity to take out institutional structure on the daily. The fact that we failed right at the daily demand zone is not good for bears. Like, it's not, right? Like, I've been saying it this entire time we were coming down here. Like, I just don't trust the bears. Like, I just don't trust that they can get it done, because every time we come to an opportunity for them to take out institutional structure, they fail, and they fail like miserably. It's like this one daily candle is about to engulf this entire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days of selling is potentially about to be engulfed before market open, right? Like, just take that in for a second and you tell me who you think is in control of this market, right? Before market open, in one daily candle, we're about to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This would be 5 days of selling if we get above 615 before the open, right? So which side do you want to play with? I look at the institutional side, and believe me, institutions are looking at the daily chart. They're not looking at the 5 minute or the 15 minute or the 15 second. They're not, right? So it would behoove you to play on the side of that team. So that being said, let's take a look at the stocks and the VIX. If we zoom out, I mean, Jesus, I mean, what I don't even need to zoom in. You guys can see it, right? You can see Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia back above 900, Meta pushing towards supply, but looks like it just might break through it. I mean, Justin already talked about ES, right? Everybody's going to be extremely bullish this morning, and it gives a good opportunity to short the market inside of that first supply zone. But I'm not looking to step in front of these bulls like at all until I see a reason to, right? So, yep, there's 100 points. That would have been my 100 points right there. I'm gonna cry, guys. Just know that if I start randomly tearing up during the show, you know why. Okay, so, but those are my thoughts on the market. Jay, what do you got? How's your oil trade printing?
It's all right. I would have been a lot more comfortable if I got in where I wanted to get in, but you know, it's all good. I'm just chilling. 5 minutes looking good. We just broke above the previous high, so I expect for us to come potentially back down. It looks like we We could have already made that inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute, so I'm hoping that we just push to the high. But I do expect us to come back down one more time and retest. So hopefully it doesn't get me. And matter of fact, I think I'm just gonna move my stop to the absolute low and just allow this trade to kind of play out and go for the large move. Honestly, I'm gonna actually try to let this thing breathe and do what it's got to do, because I think I have a winner on my hand just based off of the structure of the market and how bullish we just came back up. So I think this is gonna be one of those. I'm gonna try one of those set it and forget it type of trades where if it works out, great. If it doesn't, then whatever, it's fine too. But it's looking good right now. It's looking good, so can't complain. I'm gonna switch my focus to NQ though. Okay, never mind. I'm going back to CL. Went to NQ. I heard you say we're at 100 points, and I was like, oh my god.
Yep, it just keeps going, bro. It's like it just keeps going. I'm just like, okay, all right, NQ.
Yeah, it looks like today is going to be another one of those days where the only thing we're going to have is like to short the market, but we're just so bullish that like you don't want to step in front of these bulls. I mean, man, in 30 minutes, we've ran 100 points in the pre-market. Like, stop.
That's not me. I just added to my goal position. I was like, you bring your ass down here if you want to. Add.
Actually, that's actually not a bad idea if we start falling.
Because I mean, we bounced right off my 50%. So I was like, we bounce here, I'm adding.
That's actually not a bad idea. That's actually really not a bad idea. Thank you for that. I'm going to do the same thing, actually. I'm going to take the 50%
instead of getting scared, more confident and just add to the position. Yeah, I'm up double right now.
Facts. You're a genius.
Yeah. Genius? and now this shit's ending. Let's go. All right, cool. I'll take that. All right, now I can take one contract off at the high, and now I'm good.
Rune, good morning. Bray, good morning. Boyd, I already talked to you. Yes, I'm long. Custom BBQ in the building. What's good? Vanessa, brand new here. Vanessa, how's it going? That rally in Asia was a low blow. Yeah. Oh yeah. Man, that was a kick. That was a kick. I was so upset with NQ. Oh, we didn't. Okay. Let me tell y'all real fast, a little story time, because we got time. let me tell y'all what we did yesterday after we got off stream, because I'm telling y'all, I wanted to kill NQ. Okay, so
you talking about the shorts?
yeah. So
NQ was on demon time yesterday. So bro. We almost quit trading NQ for life.
Yeah. So Hobbs and I, we were arguing during this time, which I look back and regret, because this was a beautiful short right here for like 50 points, right?
It was so many reasons why I regret it yesterday. I was just like, oh no.
So then I was like, okay. Looking at the structure, we got another 5-minute supply zone that formed really nice, really valid drop here. We had this nice consolidation here. We broke the low here. So I'm like, dope, man. Let's play some shorts. Like, we come back up here, let's get short, right? So we come back up to this area. I get short, like, I think I got short off this candle, like somewhere on the 1 minute, right? The market starts playing around. I stopped myself out for like an $80 loss. I think we got short again up here. It looked real good. We were like, oh, we got a good ass entry up here. Market comes down, can't take this low, comes back up, and we get stopped out again. And I'm like, man, forget this. Like, I'm going long. I take a quick scalp long. I don't know. I don't remember where, but I took a quick scalp long, made like $200, something like that. And then I was like, I'm done. I'm walking away. Like, I got other things to do. Like, this is ridiculous. Only for the market to sell off 130 points from where I thought it was going to sell off, and then turn around and rip up another 100 points from there. Yeah,
NQ almost made us quit yesterday. God. I said, bro, I'm about to be done with NQ, bro.
So mad. And then
so
look, we basically held this level. We dipped underneath it, but we got right back above it and continued to hold it for the rest of the night. I hate NQ. Like, I hate NQ. Passionate hate for NQ right now. Deep passionate hate.
Well, just stay focused, because NQ's about to get us an opportunity to get short again. Same basic setup here.
It probably is gonna give us another opportunity to get short. But
same setup. Basically, I would want to see a dump down and then a sweep of the high.
Yeah. I would love to. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I need to let the day develop a little bit more, or at least have this pre-market develop a bit more to see what's about to happen. Vanessa said,
I'm done waiting. I know what NQ's trying to do. I'm
Man.
looking at it like we're in this uptrend, and if we break out of this uptrend, i.e., we break through 530.25, and then we sell down, I'll let that scalp go, and then I'll anticipate a push above to sweep the high back into 581, and then I'm going to be looking to get short up there. If this uptrend continues, then I'll just continue to pass on it until it shows a reason to short it. I think sometimes I become a little too patient, and I end up missing out on too many opportunities. So I know that haunts me. So I need to just be a little bit more aggressive.
Yeah. Vanessa said, going good. Past 3 evals just now.
Hey, kill count, baby. Oh, let's go.
Yeah, boy.
Be done trading this account today.
It was ridiculous. Yeah, my CL trade's kind of stalling, but I kind of figured this would happen. We just broke this high right here. We're retesting it. We may continue up, but if we do come down, I like Hobbs' idea of adding down here at this low. It'll average me down because I got in a little bit too higher than what I wanted to. But it's all good though. I'll average down and then I'll take the full risk, and then hopefully we should push back up because we did change character and it's looking like we're putting in a really nice inverse head and shoulders. We got our shoulder here, head, and then we could come back down, create that left shoulder, and then decide to pull up, or this lower high that was created on the 5-minute could just be that shoulder. So we'll see what happens. Either way, I'm in a good position. I'm up right now on this trade anyway, so, and it's still looking like it wants to push. So we'll see what happens. I'm trying to kind of hold this one. I think where's my profit target at? I think I'm gonna adjust my profit target. I honestly think I'm asking for too much. Yeah, I'm asking for too much.
He said, "Yeah, I'm asking for too much." Yeah, I think both Justin and I are in longs right now. Not on NQ though, in gold and oil. Just waiting to see what happens at the open. I like my entry. I liked my entry a lot better before I added to it, because I was in at 2304, and then I was in at 2304 too, and then I added at like 2305. What? Oh,
oil just got a nice little pop.
Oh, okay. Can you just wait till I get done talking?
Sorry. I was excited.
Ooh. I was like, damn, bro, what's up? You good? All right. A lot of sellers stepping in on NQ up here at these highs. Remember, I want to see us break this low though. Right? Anytime we get this fake out to the downside, I fade it and I allow all of this to break, right? And we're tapping into that macro right now. So I want to see this break 536-ish, right? That's the last low that brought us a new high. Once we see that break, I'm going to look at the first sell-off as a scalp, and then I want to see us come back up and retest, and I'll be looking to get short. But we could just sell straight down. Remember, we still have Tokyo down there. I don't think there's a high probability that we get all the way down there, but we could sell right down to this consolidation, because I think that's where we're coming next. We got quiet Justin today, y'all. He ain't gonna talk to us until his trade is done.
Oh no, I'm honestly not even worried about the trade. I'm not even watching.
Okay, good. That's what's up. That's what I like to hear, baby.
Yeah, no, that trade's set up, so whatever happens.
Facts. Yeah, I really like this 30-minute demand zone that gold was sitting in. I'll show you guys kind of my idea on gold. This was my trade idea on gold from last night. I looked at this 30-minute demand zone area as an area for us to potentially look for longs. Told the Discord about it last night, reminded them about it this morning. So I think that's where Valdez is right now. But we got this dump down to 2301, holding this demand zone area, which made me very interested. So I took the market long on this shoulder right here, 2304. And then I added to the position at 23.05. I cut that position at the high here, which brought my average to 23.05, which sucks because it sold the position that I had down at the low. So it makes me feel uncomfortable, but I know I've already secured profit, so I'm good. All right, here comes NQ looking like it wants to push out starting at the open here. We'll see. Open in about 8 minutes. As far as news goes, I think let's see.
I think we just have news that okay. Yeah, I think we have one more news event today.
Natural gas. Ooh. Curious to see how they act on news days.
That'll be interesting. I wonder if natural gas will have anything to do with oil, like if it'll affect oil at all.
I don't know. But it looks like NQ's looking kind of weak up here. Looking kind of weak.
Yeah, I mean, it should be willing to get back some of these gains we had. Jesus Christ.
Only rallied 200 points since Asia, no big deal. No big deal. Go, Gadget, go. Morning, Mike. How you doing, man? How you doing? Dr. JC, wow, no wave cap. He does have hair.
They thought you was bald.
I'm looking raggedy this morning, man. I ain't brushed my hair. I was trading, I was trying to get into this gold trade, and then I saw NQ setting up, and gold was taking too long to get to my 30-minute demand. So I was like, it was crazy because they both came down at a level where I wanted to trade them at the same time. So I was like, ooh, but we'll see what happens. The only thing I can see gold doing now is coming down one more time to either break this low or come back and retest this 42.96. I'm hoping that buyers want to hold price above 4,300 though.
Oh yeah, gold did take off. That was nice. Yeah, that was nice. I think oil's about to come down one more time. I got my level set, so if it comes down, I'll get a notification. I'll add to my position and I'll let it ride. And then NG is really not doing anything at all. NG is literally just in a range.
So I told you I don't F with NG like that, bro. But it also has nice news today though. Yeah. It also has news today, so it might be consolidating for that.
NG had a nice rally on Tuesday and a really nice dump.
Big seller just hit NQ's tape. Big seller. Let's share this tab. Ooh, yeah. All right. So now you see that high got put in, that lower high. Now we need to put in a lower low. There's a lot of selling coming in at this level because they're trying to break the low here. A lot of selling at this low.
NQ exhausted from that run. Yeah, yep, I think so. We got to pull back. It's just a matter of where we're going to pull back to. That's the question. Thing that kind of, let me see, 30-minute. Yeah, we got a nice kind of 1 hour.
Beach Super Fire. Is this the tropical one?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. Oh, that's not actually that's not bad at all.
You in this gold trade with me, bro? What? I gave you a reminder. Don't say I didn't.
Come back then. Oh, so
Valdez.
He don't want to talk to you.
He gonna talk to me.
I think I'm just looking at it at 50% retracement from high to low, and 18.5 would be a good place for the market to pull back to for the longs.
Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at. I want 18.463.
Oh, who was in here yesterday? Who was in here yesterday looking for 18.5? Because we made it. You would have had to sit through a lot.
Yeah, you had to swing it.
Oh, but
you had to swing it, but we made it.
Made it.
Mama, we here. We're really trying to break this low right here at a 36. I want us to break it and then come back up. Like I don't want to be the first seller up here. I'd rather allow this to sell down or just wait for it to sell down back into demand and look to long it.
Yeah. Yeah, my plan right now is to let this come back down to the 50%. If we start to come back down, which I'm hoping we do. If not, I do have a 1 hour. I'm just trying to find somewhere within this previous supply to act as support to bring us back up higher. We just came up way too bullish, and I don't want to look for shorts unless we put in some type of like break a structure. We'd have to like come back down, come back up, break structure again, and then come back, kind of like we did yesterday. That's what I'd be looking for. Exactly what we did yesterday. For me to short the market, I would need the market to do that again.
Yeah. So. The only, like I said, for me, the only way I get short is if I see, like you said, exactly what we want to see, which is that push down, that push back up, and then boom, we good to go. Because right now we look weak at these lows, but we always look weak before we pounce some more.
Yeah. The other thing I'd be interested in.
Market opens in 40 seconds. Dude.
We're consolidating here at these highs. So if we consolidate and then we just push up and rally, we come back down. I'll look to get long off that. If this forms like some new demand, like just looking at the structure on the 5 minute, we're kind of consolidating up here, right? So if at open, this open candle, if this open candle just rips, if we come back down aggressively, I'm talking about it's got to be aggressive. I don't want to see like choppy action on the pullback. I would look to long it back up into this 2 hour. That's the only other way I'm looking to get long. Either we got to pull back or this structure's got to form. We have to push up directly at open.
Oh, okay. It's strength. The same. We're talking about the same level. We're talking about the same level. It's you just looking at it on the 2 hour. I'm looking at it on the 1 hour.
Gotcha. Yeah, this is already. Oh my God. Whoever just decides to. I mean, this actually is not a bad long based off of volume potentially. But God, whoever can just hit the button. Long or short at open, but more power to you.
Yeah, I mean it's a falling wedge into support, but I just like to let all the craziness go. If it's gonna rally 100 points from here, so be it. I've just learned just to not really care so much.
You know, like I said, I want to see this thing rally at open, but if this just starts to dump, then that's cool too.
Good morning, John. Good morning, Quarter.
That's cool too. Yeah, looks like we're gonna get that dump.
Yeah, I just want to see that change of character. That's all. Once I see that change of character, I'll be waiting for that sweep back up.
Here comes some strong selling into the market.
So sleepy. Not even sleepy. I'm just didn't do any of my morning routine stuff this morning. So
okay, CL.
What happened? It's pushing.
Yeah, it's pushing. Let's see. Let's check out. Okay, gold. Come on, keep pushing. What's your profit target on gold?
It's monetary.
Mine is slightly monetary too, but
it's something that I feel like gold should be able to get to no problem. It's 2320.4.
Oh, okay, 23. Okay.
Which is not even that's not even the high. It's just running all those stops. the overnight stops, running those and then coming up.
Mine is like above here. It's like 20. It's like 85, 83 or something like that. Oh, that's a rejection though.
Yeah, oil got this. I mean, gold got the same rejection. They're all reject. Whenever NQ goes up, it makes me pay attention to my gold trade. I'd be like, because if gold's gonna go down, I'm not gonna take a loss on this thing. I've already made profit, so I'll just take a break even and either reposition myself or just leave it alone. It's not gonna push out.
Yeah. Let's see where. Let's figure stuff out. Yeah, I'm about 15 cents on this gold trade. I would be up so much more had I gotten in, but I think.
You say you're up 15 cents? Oh, you mean like in regards to how gold moves, not how much you're actually up on the monetary value of the trade?
Yeah.
I was like, what? What kind of size you're in? Half a micro? Yeah, this ain't.
I'll just take this to break even because
this ain't looking too good.
I don't need to lose on this trade. I already got a late entry, and this rejection looking pretty nasty up here.
I'm gonna accept it. I like it because we're continuing for gold anyway. I like it because we're continuing the uptrend. It's just pulling back into structure, so I'm gonna let it ride. What's the worst that can happen? I lose. Ain't like I ain't done that before.
Yeah. Well, this 5-minute candle on NQ is okay. Yeah, nope. This is rejecting. Nope. I'll just look to re-add when we get back down to my ad spot. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it. It's gonna take the W there. I'm just gonna take the W. I got in late. I don't like my entry. It looks like we're consolidating. We could come back down. I'll look to re-enter once we come to my ad spot, and I'll just watch NQ. I think that'll be the best thing to do. So I'll just wait. My ad spot's pretty much where I'd want to get in anyway. So I'm cool with that. Take a quick little W there. Look to reposition myself. Hopefully NQ will start to push here. It's like there was a lot of effery. Man, the amount of buying going on right now is ridiculous.
NQ just does not know how to go down, bro. Like, it does not know how to go down. Jeez,
no, it does not.
Oh gosh, that was so aggressive. It's like, shut up. We're going up. I'm out of that gold trade for break even. I took profit on the first entry when I added, and then I took profit at the high, but the way we were coming down just did not give me warm and fuzzies, and I wasn't willing to take a L just because I wanted to hold strong, baby.
Yeah.
We just dug too deep into that demand zone, man. It's too deep for my liking. But I do like the fact that I added and took profit on the ad. I really like that.
Oh my god.
Did he get rejected?
Was ugly. Huh?
NQ get rejected?
No, it's still pushing up. It's still pushing.
Man, what a rally on NQ.
Yeah, this thing going nuts. Check on ES. Yeah, ES is also trying to push. Oh, look at all the green on the time and sales. My God.
There's no red. That's why I'm like, I'm not touching this thing. There's no red, not one large seller in the market, which tells me that they're probably going to start selling off these commodities, whatever they saw in unemployment claims. They like it.
Oof, good Lord. Yep, glad I got out of that oil trade.
Yeah, me too. I'm looking at it go like sell off. I'm like, oof, glad I got up out of there.
Yeah, not with NQ pumping the way it's pumping.
Yeah, exactly. That's why when I was looking at NQ pump, I'm like, you know what? It's probably good to just go ahead and cut this, because if NQ's gonna pump, gold's gonna probably start to sell off a little bit.
Oh man.
Damn, NQ. We going to 600? Bright and early? All right.
No turbulence. All right, watch on the 1 minute over here. Watch on the 5 over on my execution screen. Let's see what we do. Let's see if we
All right, yeah, I'm really interested in what the sellers want to do up here. A lot of buy-ins just came into this area, and I really, really, really like the area for shorts. Does it mean I'm going to take the shorts? No, it just means that I will be definitely watching this area to short the market. I still need to see us change structure here. God damn. Cute.
Yeah. What are you going to do, NQ? What are you going to do? After a 102 lot buyer came into the market, they slammed him. Woo! Oh.
All right, okay. Sellers. All right, sellers. What you gonna do here? What you got for me? What you got for me, NQ?
All right, don't. Okay. Well, I'm not taking this. Nope. Well, let's see. Yeah, man left in this candle. Oh. Okay, sellers. What up, Selmo? What? How's it going?
Selmo? What? Yo, what up, Selmo? Yeah, looking to short this market up here for sure, guys. For sure.
Jesus.
Just want to see us take out the low. We have to come back down, right? Like, makes no sense for us to stay up here all damn day.
Look at this selling. Sell, baby, sell. Take them out. See if the selling's going to continue.
It's happening so fast. And all of that selling, all we did was come right back down to the low.
Yep.
And immediately find buyers. So let's see if we can take out these buyers down here at the lows. Otherwise, this is just another pullback to go right back up.
Come on, that was really aggressive. Like, we should see some continuation here.
Man.
Like, if we don't see continuation here, it's not gonna be good. Let's see, this is the 50%. We continue to move up. It's basically back at the top of this supply zone. Wow, this market's in a really weird spot right now.
Well, we just took a high, and we're failing to take the low. It looks like we're trying to take the low, but yeah. I just want to see us change character here. Get below the lows, and I'll be happy, and then I can look to short. But right now, we're still in bullish character, so I'm just gonna hang out, see what we do.
I just hope this isn't a chop fest.
Man, you know it is. Market open. They've already rallied the market 200 points. They're like, yeah, retail's going to be chasing this all day. But what happens if we just trade sideways for 2 hours?
Right.
We just do nothing. Retail's screwed.
Custom Barbecue says, okay, I'm at $52,876.22 for the next eval account. Walking on eggshells right now. Let's get it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Just size down, man. You don't need a much. Like, just size down. You'd be good. Or size up and just nab 10 points.
Or that. Or that.
Yeah, we're consolidating at these highs. Good Lord.
Which means we're trying to go higher.
Wow, CL, don't do that. Don't do that, CL. Don't do that. Don't get one tick away from where I'm supposed to looking for entries and then go ahead and bounce.
Yeah, gold about to take off again.
You playing with my emotions, CL. You playing with my emotions. Wow, CL. Wow. All right, cool. Cool. Meanwhile, NQ looking like it's about ready to dump out the sky. This rising
Gold
wedge
look like it's looking like it's
good.
trying to recover over here to put in a nice double bottom.
Yeah, I think. Well, we're pumping a little bit. I think they're trying to trap some retail.
That was a big seller.
Yeah, I think they're trying to trap some retail. You see though.
Hey,
right
congrats,
here.
baby. Congrats. She says she's up on 3 out of 4 of her stocks.
Let's go.
I said socks. Good job, babe. Good job.
Yeah, I think this market wants to come down.
Yeah, I'm gonna just be patient. I think the market wants to come down. Looks like we're breaking through that structure right there. Trying to break this low. If we can break this low, then I'm very interested in shorts here. Very interested. I just want to see that low taken.
Yeah, this is looking like a head and shoulders pattern right here. It came down.
Oh yeah,
the high came back up.
Yeah, but every time I see this, I always think it's the head and shoulders, but then they run the high one more time, and this ends up being the shoulder.
Yeah, very well could be. But this 5-minute candle is looking pretty. Oh my!
See,
this 5-minute candle looking real bearish, but you know, what do I know?
Nope, I ain't fucking with it, bro.
Wow. All right. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here come the sellers again. That's a nasty rejection right there. Yeah, look, it looks like we're consolidating pretty heavy up here right now.
Just want one break of the low, bro.
Oh my god. Yeah, these buyers are really trying right now.
Yeah. Thank you on that bullshit again. Thank you on that bullshit again. Every time we try to sell off, it's the same shit, bro. The same shit, different day. Every single time.
Yeah, we're really consolidating up here.
Yeah, you know what it is? It's distribution, bro. We just sit up here, collect all the dummies that's trying to long or short, and they just keep getting stopped out. And the market is just like, this is great. When we actually sell off, they're all fucked. They're all screwed. The shorts got in too early. The buyers are wrong. We win. We win again. Look at all of this selling at the low. Just get through the bottom already, NQ. Fudge. You know where you're trying to go. Oh my God. Look at this buyer.
Yeah, this is nuts.
My goodness, man.
But this buyer keeps getting shut down though. Every single time he comes up. Oh man. Commodities are out here running. Well, CL's running, I should say. Trying to anyway.
Yeah, gold is struggling at this demand zone. I think he wants to push out of here, but I'm gonna wait on it. Wait to touch it. It's looking rather weak coming out of these highs. There goes NQ again rallying.
Yeah, I think we want to come down though.
Yeah, every time we push up, we just get shut down. Every single time.
They want to give back some of this move. How much, I don't know, but I think they want to give some of it back.
Man, it would make sense. It's just NQ just takes. It's so hard for NQ to sell off, man. That's why I be like, bro, when we this high, I just be like, bro, I'll just wait till we come back down. Like it's just so hard to sell NQ off. It's like you might as well just wait until it comes down and long it.
Yeah, we just continue to play at this low. 5-minute candle's about to close.
We're finally trying to close below this low, but 536 is the low, so we're closing below it. But if we see a sweep, an aggressive sweep, I don't really count that as a close. So I want to see what we do here. Coming into that 950 macro real quick. So let's see what happens here. All of that price action in the pre-market. We just sit here to come into the New York Open and consolidate all day.
Yeah, absolutely nowhere.
New York session. I'm really starting to dislike you. Really, really, really starting to dislike New York.
Well, here we go. Starting to come down. Just break the low. Jesus Christ.
I know.
Like, do something.
I know, man. This is what the New York session is like when you try to sell off NQ. It's like, bro, like, what are you doing down here?
Yeah, yes.
That's why I think we're gonna run the high one more time. Just to go try to steal more sell side liquidity.
They're struggling to. All right, can you just break that low right here at 28, please? Jesus.
It will not take out the low. That's what I mean. Like there's a buyer down there that just refuses to allow NQ to take out the low. So
if it does, it's about to be very violent though. That's for sure.
Everything's just consolidating. So I'm just like,
there we go. There's the low break. There we go.
How time?
There we go. Jesus Christ. I told you it was gonna be violent. I've been short since 534. I've just been waiting for this low to break. Good Lord. Have mercy. Jesus. All right.
Oh, damn time.
I know. Let's give back some of this price action. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, we should come down to 463.
My profit target's 484. It's a 50-point move. About halfway there.
Yeah, I think you get that. No problem. Well, I shouldn't say no problem. I'll say
we just tapped 50%. I'm going to break even. We just tapped 50% of the high and low there. Go ahead.
I was about to say it makes sense for NQ to give back to make it easy for 50 points to be done, but we'll see.
Yeah. Let's see. Continues.
Thank you, golly.
19-point candle to the downside. 20-point candle.
Yeah,
to the downside.
it should be coming down here though. I mean, what's the VIX doing here?
It's not doing anything really. I'm thinking about some currency profit down here, honestly. Things starts playing around. It's a pretty large downside move. Oh my god. Yeah.
God damn. Shit.
Oh, we're gonna give back 50% of this candle. Are you serious?
Fucking NQ, man. NQ and selling just don't go together
At all.
They just don't go together, bro. It's so painful to be a bear on NQ.
There's like no continuation ever.
Yeah, they buy it right back up, bro. So I hate being a bear on NQ. I'll be like, nope.
Yeah, I mean, that was a 50% tap, so I kind of expected for price to potentially swing back to the upside. I'd like to see this candle close in like the 13s. That would be ideal. But we got about 10 seconds. So let's see. It was still a bearish candle. We expect some buying at the low. So let's see what this next candle starts to do. Okay. This next candle wants to start buying. Okay, there we go. There we go. Come on. I'm looking at the 5-minute candles, by the way, not the 1 minute.
We can see your screen.
Oh, okay. Well, fair enough.
He said, well, fair enough.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I'm just waiting. I think we come back up and sweep that high. That's when I'll be looking to get short. I got everything I wanted so far. We got the change of character. I want to see one more. I want to see a sweep of that high, and then I'll look to get short. So far, so good.
Man, we can't get more than one 5-minute bearish candle. Like, we have to come back up. Like, you couldn't just slide. You couldn't even just slide the 50 points I need you to slide real fast. Let's check on CL. Yeah, CL's ripping.
Not gold. Gold is still selling off. There's a sell.
Yeah.
There's a push down. Just got to get below 508. And it should come all the way down, but
oh yeah, that 500 level is gonna be really important to break through.
Damn.
Yeah, man. These
watching this tape, it's even harder to be a bear watching the tape because you see how much buying is coming in. It's just like, oh my god.
Yeah, and Nvidia is ripping. It sold off, but it got that candle. We'll see what it does though. And Google's ripping as well. Google done lost its ever loving mind. Here comes a ton of selling. Oh my god. It feels like it. I'm not saying it's true, but it just feels like it takes so much selling for NQ to move, and just the tiniest bit of buying makes NQ just like rally its ass off. And I just don't get it. I don't understand. But
it's trying to come down though.
Yeah, I like this candle if it closes like this. This will be a pretty good failure by the bear or by the bulls. And I spotted the failure up at the high. That's why I took it short. Once we double tapped here, I was like, okay, I'm comfortable taking the market short. I think my real short entry was like here or something, but I just don't want to see this fail here. I want to see sellers break this low and continue to come lower.
It's coming. There we go. There's the 500 break right there.
My target is 8.4, which I don't know why this VWAP is different than this other VWAP, so I might look to cut it at 40 points at this VWAP right here.
Damn.
God, yeah. See how bullish these. Oh my god.
Hey, watching this tape is fucking depressing to be a bear. Golly. All this tells me is when we come down to the destination, this thing's gonna pump. Because they are feeling liquidity the whole way down.
I'm gonna get a little bit closer to the price on the tape, see what's going on. Yeah, I really need to see this 50% break, because this could be they're doing a lot of selling here. And overall, we are still in an uptrend.
Yeah, I pretty much got everything that I'm looking for to short. I just want a sweep of that high if I want to short the market. It looks so bullish right now.
It does.
So bullish.
Yeah.
You're right at that freaking 10 o'clock candle too. I don't know. As long as we stay below 23.
Yeah.
Damn. Bro, I don't know how you do it, bro. I don't even want to short the market today. Nope, I ain't doing it. I'm not shorting this market today. God damn. These fucking bulls, bro. Damn. Oh my God. See profit, take profit on the shorts, bro. They are only scalps.
Hey, guess what? It's all good because I saw it. I reversed my position. I'm in long.
Okay, good. I ain't mad at you.
I saw the buying coming in. I was like,
right. I'm like, bro, nah, good.
No, not forget that. We're at the 50%. I saw what was going on. I'm like, well, I'm not getting this 50%. Let me go ahead and take my profit there and re-enter in long.
I think that's probably the best thing you could have done was reverse that position. But again, I seeing everything that was happening. I just took gold long at 23.057, but seeing everything that was happening, I was like, I'm not touching NQ on demon time right now.
I don't like it.
Time. I don't like it. I'm up $600 on gold. Thank you. Out of here. Let's go. Easy day. Easy peasy. Look how long NQ did. NQ did all of that buying, and then it's finna dump on everybody, bro.
Yeah, it just caught me.
Yeah, I'm cool.
I thought we was about to go, but I guess
locking
we're not.
in $300 right there, and let go ride. So I'm slowly just backing away from NQ during the AM session, bro. It just be on demon time, bro.
Yeah, it definitely do be.
Meanwhile, Gold over here
just
just following the rules of structure, nice and smooth.
Oh
locking
yeah,
in $400.
Gold went ham right there.
Yeah, it was a 50% retracement into that consolidation. I was like, okay, long. Locking in 400. Locking in 5, up 630. Let's go. TOPSTEP account back. Oh, let's go, Gold. You know what? Let me go back to break even. You look like you got some energy on this push. Okay, Gold. Okay.
Yeah, gold losing his ever loving mind.
Show them who you are. Let's go, Gold. Get up there, girl. I knew you had it in you. I knew you had it in you. You was trying to fool me. I synced you. All right, we just got to get above the high at 23.14. Then I think we take off. I think it's going to be go time for Gold. Meanwhile, NQ, demon time.
Playing around.
Still in the same freaking level. I ain't even looking at NQ's chart. I'm just looking at the tape, and I'm like, meanwhile, on NQ, demon time.
Yeah.
Demon time. Oh, God, NQ. Yeah, I'll take my ball to Gold, and I'll stay over here. Especially during the AM session, like, NQ just been on demon time, bro. Like, just we basically rallied all the way into that consolidation at 530, and now it looks like we want to reject that. But it's the way that we rally that I say NQ be on demon time, because it's like the way how fast NQ comes up. It's just, I don't know. It's not for the weak hearted. I guess I'm weak hearted.
That's facts.
Doom. Nah, this rally on Gold look like it might be over.
Push that just got denied. Let's see.
All right, Gold. Whatever you do, don't give up this entire rally. I need to see you form some structure up there to hold us up there. I got faith that you're going to keep rallying, so don't make me look bad. I'm okay with a pull back down to 23.10, but don't come all the way down to freaking 07 again. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do all that. You don't need to do all that, Gold. Chill out. You still in long?
Yeah, I'm looking to try to get out of break even. This thing's just trying to pump out again.
Oh, you just don't like the position at all. You like, yeah, I'm trying to get the fuck up out of here. I just don't like.
I mean, unless we get some strong buying coming up out of here.
Yeah, facts. All right, here comes a retap on Gold of 23.10, which I expected. I want to see if we can hold 23.10. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my bread. Gold, don't give up this entire rally, bro. Don't do it. You about to do it. You about to do it. It's about to do it. It's about to do it. Don't do it. Hold this. All right, I'm out.
Oh yeah.
I can't. I can't.
All right, yeah, I'm out of this trade as well. We're just struggling. Watch, as soon as I get out, this thing's gonna rip.
All right, I think I'm done trading over there on Gold. Scalped a little bit on the iPad, but internet out in my area. Y'all have a good one. Dang, Mike, don't be trading with no internet. So something going on with my Discord app, but yo, Hobbs and Justin, I took y'all advice yesterday, bought a call option on IGC Pharma. I'm up over 2,600%. I didn't tell you about anything. Oh, was that a weed stock?
Yeah, that had been a weed stock.
Remember, we do not give advice. We just simply read the market. And, you know, if you take what we say and you go trade off of it and it doesn't not work well, you can't be coming back over to the shop, be like, bruh. I'm like, man, look here, Shooky. Look here, Snooky. But yeah, my wife is very happy with her stock portfolio right now. She was showing me, she's like, I know how you do this. Like, I want to take my money now. I'm like, look, just hold, man. The more they start, the more the big farmers start talking, not big pharma, but the news outlets, the more they talk about weed, the better it's gonna be. The weed stocks are gonna start going crazy. Meanwhile, on NQ, still in the same spot.
Ain't gone nowhere. What y'all talking about?
No, I already pulled them up. Yep, it's cannabis stock. Yeah. My wife is in a Tilray and a couple others. Yeah, they coming, man. Small. It's about to be. We're going into the summer, so I anticipate just from recent experience, we're going into the summer, so I anticipate a rally into the small cap stocks. So like all of the meme stocks, the small caps, all that good stuff. I anticipate the market to start really moving money into the Russell, and that's going to include a lot of your weed stocks and stuff like that, just because usually right before the market starts to dump, those are the last things that start to pump because they're easy to move, right? So it wouldn't surprise me to see those start rallying at all. And NQ still in the same spot. We're in about a 10-point range right now. Gold's pushing back out here, trying to get back above that high of 23.13.
VIX is trying to dump. Yeah, everything looks like it's trying to come up. All the stocks look like they're trying to pump. Apple got a nasty pump.
Man, gold played out freaking perfectly, bro. Like perfectly. Previous high, previous low retest. God, at the low, perfectly. I read that junk like a sniper, baby. Sniper status. I don't play with, bro. I'm telling you, I'm about to be done playing with NQ. I'm about to not done trading it, but I'm about to be done with it in the AM session. Because especially when it rallies like crazy in the pre-market, it just feels like if you didn't get in the pre-market, it's just gonna play games in the New York session, at least in the AM session. That's why I just started trading other instruments during the AM session, because NQ be playing too many games.
NQ do be on some BS.
See that, bro? It's like, bro, and then you look at the tape, this thing is going nuts, but there's so much buying getting rejected. So it's just like, hey, okay.
Yeah, it's tough. It's just hard to read because it's like the market does not want to. The market, like you said, if we break a high, we're consolidating.
Yep,
we come down.
Nowhere. I guess that's why I say it's on demon time. That's why I say it's on demon time. It's like what I'm saying is like I understand what's happening structurally. But the problem is with NQ, it gets into these consolidatory periods and it's just violent consolidation. Ultimately, it wants to go down, right? But it goes through these long periods that other instruments just aren't experiencing. During that same time, gold just rallied, right? Like it just continued to rally. It's the same thing that happened yesterday. That's why I was like, nope, NQ's on demon time. I'm locking in some profits over here on gold. Like I'm not messing around. It's like I don't want to fight so hard for my trades. Like I don't need all of that dancing and craziness. Like NQ's like Diddy in videos. You know what I'm saying? Like it'd be trying to be all in the video, dancing, you know what I'm saying, making faces and shit. Take that. It's like, bro, just go where you trying to go. Like why we gotta do this dance every day? You know? And that's how I feel about it.
I agree.
That's why I trade. I trade other instruments during the morning session, because unless NQ doesn't have that crazy rally, I think ultimately it wants to go down. I think it should want to go down, but I just can't get a good read on it lately in the morning session. So I just told myself, and I've told my Discord, hey, don't be surprised if you see me calling out gold trades during the NQ session, because the morning session is just not. It's just not been. It's not been well. Like, it's just been on some bullshit lately. So I'm just like, you know what? You're gonna be on that bull-ish. Then you know what? I'm gonna just take my ball and run. How about that? Or go to a different court. You feel me?
I feel you. It's been something else.
Lower day, lower week on repeat. Let's go, Bravo. Yep. What's up, K Ray? You back? I got a headache, man. I'm hungry. Once I get done trading today, I gotta bounce because my son got track, and it's all the way in the middle of nowhere, and I want to cook him some dinner or cook him some lunch to go.
Could have stayed in that short.
You know, all we did was come back to that previous consolidation, and we just danced around at it until we couldn't go any higher. Once we couldn't go any higher, market was like, all right, fine. It's like my children. Fine. Oh boy, NQ. Yeah, that's tough, man. I know how you feel on that trade, because I mean, you switched the position, you rallied, let you get back in short. He said it's all good. Don't worry about it.
Oh no, I didn't get back in short. No, I stopped myself out. I was like, I'm not this consolidation. But then it's like this consolidation is probably really bullish, and we're probably gonna. I don't know. It could be bearish too. I don't even know. NQ gets into this mode where it just consolidates for like 30 minutes.
That's what I be on, bro. I be like, man, I don't know what the fuck NQ trying to do up here. Like, I know structurally what it looks like it's trying to do, but it's just like it dances around so much. It's just like, bro, just go to the destination already.
Yeah, like it looks bullish, then it looks bearish, then it looks bullish, then it looks bearish, and it's just like, ugh. Like the overall trend is bullish. So it's like, but yeah, I don't.
Hello, Trista. And there goes gold. Out of here.
You still in the gold trade? Did you cut it?
No, I was gonna cut it, but I just moved my stop to a level where I was comfortable securing profits, so I'm still in it. Okay. I'm just locking in $200 and just gonna try to let it ride.
Gotcha. And then CL literally is doing nothing.
Yeah, gold just needs to get over 23.14. I'm in at 23.057. So I got a really good entry. So I was like, you know what? Instead of cutting this, let me just hold through this pullback. And then I'll just secure profit at that pullback. So I'm locking in profit right where the market pulled back into. So if we fail at these highs, then we shouldn't take this low. Should be able to use it as some type of support. So that's all. I just told myself, I see myself do this so much where I'll be so sure about a position, but I won't hold it. And I end up chasing it all day. It's like, you know what? Screw it. Just go or don't. It's the worst that could happen. And NQ again, just dancing around inside of these macros, just not moving at all, guys. This is like
going
super
anywhere.
Whack.
Oh, looks like we're about
I think it wants to come down. Like I said, like it looks like it wants to come down. It's just taking its sweet ass time. I'm just not for it today. I was like, nope. As soon as I saw how it was struggling to come down, I was like, all right, what is gold doing? I was like, what is gold doing? If NQ's selling, I don't want none. Like, I'm good. I'm good. I'll wait till NQ gets to a level where it's ready to buy. Look how fast it comes up when it's buying. It takes hours to sell this thing off. We're barely down 100 points.
What, on NQ?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're not even down 100 points.
We're not, because I got in close to the high, and I got 20 points.
Yeah, we're not even down 100 points from the high, bro. And we've been here an hour. We've been here an hour, and we barely are down 100 points. At that speed is like, I'll just wait till it comes to the 1 hour demand zone and long it back up, because I don't feel comfortable in the shorts. Like, I just don't. Look how long you gotta sit. Like, imagine if you were still in that short at 34. You would be so fucking uncomfortable. Like,
oh yeah.
He said, yeah, I was in it.
The fact that we've consolidated this long down here,
it just does not feel good. No.
This is basically previous support as well. Like, if we look back, this area has been support.
I'm not gonna long it here. I'm not longing this thing until it comes back to demand. I feel like we need to sell down, but the market doesn't care about what I feel, so I just wait. If it wants to continue to push up, it'll do it without me. I'm not sure. I'm not touching NQ until it's at higher time frame demand. That's it. That's just where I'm at with NQ. At least during the AM session. Like, I'm not touching it up here because it looks like it should sell, but it also looks like on the 15-minute we're putting in a higher low. So I don't freaking know. I know one thing: for the last 30 minutes, we've been trading between 31 and 12. It's a 19 point range. No, thank you. Meanwhile, my gold trade's just going straight up, taking its time, but it's going one direction, trending in one direction. That's it. That's what I like. I can hold comfortably when you're not doing what the fuck NQ is doing right now. It's easy to hold. It's easy for me to make decisions, whatever. All of that just to go down.
It's ridiculous.
Just go down, NQ. We know you want to go down, bro. Like, just go down. I'll pick you up at 463. I'm not touching NQ short. I'm not doing it. Like that. All that did was solidify that I don't like shorting NQ. I just don't. I hate it. I hate it. All right, we're gonna finally break 506, or we're gonna stay in this little range we're in again. This looks so like yesterday, except it's happening much sooner. Remember that 2 hour consolidation we set in only for the market to sell off exactly what we wanted it to do? This looks identical to yesterday. When I saw it, I was like, nope, what's gold doing? You my baby over here, gold. Just keep going, baby. Keep going.
Oh my God.
Demon time, bro. Motherfucking demon time. For no reason, too. It's just like, bro, like, what is the objective here?
Oh my God.
Big selling, big buying, consolidation. No new high, no new low. We continue on repeat. All right, back into the consolidation we go.
Oh, they are really trying to sweep this market right now.
They are really trying to NQ.
Yeah,
it takes really, so long. God, this is depressing. Every time we come to the low, NQ's like, nope, nope, not ready yet. Nope, 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 nope. You can't make me do it. Not ready yet. I haven't stolen enough souls yet. That's basically what NQ down here doing. It's like, let me take enough liquidity and then I'll go down. Like, let me dance around in this area for a while, then I'll go down. There it goes. All right, that was the first flash of the low. Let's see if this buyer wants to defend his position, or is he gonna finally let this thing drop? There it is. There's the dump. All right.
I had to sit through that short for so long. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you got to have some strong conviction in that thing. Crazy part is it never even hit your break even.
Mm-mm.
All right, there's the flush down on gold. I mean, not gold, on NQ. That's what I want to see.
Damn. Profit
That
target
push
would have been
down
smashed.
That push down into this 1 hour demand zone is what I'm looking for now on NQ. Then I'll be looking to trade it long. If it wants to sell all the way down to Tokyo, that's going to be a much longer trip. That's a much longer conversation. That's all the way down to 391.25, which it very well could do. We just stole a lot of liquidity in that distribution phase right there. So one of these green boxes is what I'm looking for. I do not want to sit through this. And that only happens to the sell side. It really doesn't happen when we go up. When we go up, we just smoothly go up. When we sell, we pull into these aggressive like pockets of liquidity and we just sit there. So that's why I'm looking to buy. I don't want to sit through this.
See, natural gas ain't done nothing. CL still playing around with its food.
NQ looks like it's trying to sell back down. It's just, again, it's just super slow, guys. Super slow. All right, we got this area here, point of origin there. Just following price here. If I'm looking to get short, I'd be waiting on a retest of 509. I'm not going to, but because I'm waiting on the higher time frame tap here to take it long. Okay, gold. All right, gold. Get back up there. Let's go. Break that high. Gold is in a very, very peculiar spot here. So if we can't get back above this high, I'm going to have to cut the trade, unfortunately. So I'm going to lock in max profit here at 540, just in case we come down and we sweep too aggressively. Yeah, lock in 600 bucks right there. All right, I'm good with gold. Whatever it wants to do from there, great. But we're in an area where it could reject. So I wanted to lock in max profit. If it starts to get super bullish again, then I'll go back down. But locking in 600, really tight stop now at 23.11.7. NQ. It's on fucking demon time. Oh my goodness. All right. Let me lock in 700. I don't like what's going on over here on gold. I'm locking in 700. I'm good with that. All right, I won't move it again. 700 is cool. I'm done with that trade for now. If it knocks me out at 700, I'll take that L. Well, I'm only giving up $30. So it's got to push or it's going to kick me out. Looks like it's choosing violence to the upside. Okay. Go ahead, girl. And meanwhile, NQ is going right the fuck back up. Right back up. All right, coming back into this area where I would be actually looking to short the market up here. Not going to. I'm just saying, just the way price is going. Is that my? Yeah, that's me. Hold on,
That's
guys.
me.
No, it's
what?
me. It's me. Lawnmower.
Oh, lawnmower. Oh. Waiting on some solid uptrend. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting to see what this 5-minute candle does.
Here come the bulls.
I want to see us come. We're bouncing off VWAP on the contract, but I want to see us come back down, retest.
Oh shit, gold. Okay, gold.
Gold still.
Okay, gold.
Pushing.
Ooh, yeah. 10 points on gold, baby. 10 more to go. Come on, gold. Come on. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. Let's go, gold.
Man, NQ is trash.
That's why. Oh, let's go, gold. Let's go. Up a rack on gold, 1100. Let's go. All right. Locking in 1,000 right there. All right, now you can kick me out, gold. If you want to kick me out, good. I'll take 1,000. Good day on gold, baby. Good day. I'll take it. I wish I would have bought 2, man. Damn. All right, I'm out for 1,000 right there. 10 quick points on gold. Very clean. Nice. While NQ was on demon time.
Yeah, NQ was playing around.
I just went over to gold and got my 10 points. Locking in $1,000. Thank you, sir. Thank you. We called that trade out last night. That was the 30-minute demand zone tap.
Well, that was the same
same level, bro. That's why I don't be messing around with freaking NQ during whatchamacallit. I think gold's still gonna push, by the way, but I'm gonna wait for it to come back down, and I'll play another. I got one more position to play, but I think this thing could really get going. You guys know me though. I like to get my bread. If it's anything over 1,000, icing on the cake. But once I see 1,000, that's it. That's all I need. Moving on to the next trade.
NQ's trying to pump out of here. I want to see this 5-minute candle. I want to see a 5-minute candle come back down for the retest.
This just looks like another higher low, bro. Draw that box. You see that box at draw the point of origin box on that supply zone at 1021. Just draw a box straight across like we do when we do the review. And you see right where we're tapping, looks like we're gonna flush. See that?
What 10 oh wait 10 oh 1021.
1021 candle, the 1 minute 1021 candle. So until we get back above that high, until we get back above that high at least, then we're gonna continue to be in a downtrend.
Yeah, no, I agree with that.
Yeah, so we should reject here and then continue to come down. I'm gonna practice my scalping. I'm done with that account for now. Until shit, I missed it. But there we go. All right, and then I scalped to here for a quick 3,800. There we go. I think you could be getting ready to push out of here, but I'm gonna give it the whole zone here. Just practicing my scalping ability on NQ. I'm waiting I'm waiting for price to come down here. But while I wait, I'm practicing a skill that I haven't really worked on during the live market of NQ. I back tested a bunch of times, but I like to see things work out in the live market. So I should have been in up here, but I wasn't connected to my paper trading account fast enough. So I would have liked to been in right here at 511. But the goal is to get in within this consolidation on that retest, tap it, get in, and then trade it down to the breaker structure. So we'll see what happens. Gonna scalp it with 10 minis here. Waiting on some solid uptrend patience. Yeah. Oh, good exit on gold too. Gold came down like 2 points from my exit. I got out basically at the top so far. I'm waiting on a pullback to go long again. I really like everything about gold today. While I'm waiting on this scalp here on my paper trader NQ. Gold might not pull back though. It might not pull back. It's looking strong.
It is looking strong.
All right, we're up about 7 points on this scalp. The goal is to take 10 or the breaker structure, whichever one comes first. There it is. Ooh. Nice push down. We're up 10. All right, we're up 10 at 40 at 95. So I'm gonna give it a little room to breathe. I'm gonna leave it here. Leave it here. I think we can get out of here. We can get this breaker structure. I'll take it. But yeah, I'll do one better. I'll lock in 8 contracts at the break of 10. Oh no, we're good. We're good. All right, locking in 10 points right there. That's a winner. Yep. Nice push down. Yep. Nice little 10-point scalp. Locking in 3K right there. All right, 3,100. There you go. 10 minis right there. That's your Apex account funded. You're welcome, YouTube. You're welcome, YouTube. No drawdown right there. That was a clean 3,100 right there. Quick little Apex account right there. All right. Now we just wait because that moves over, right? And we could double bottom here. So that's why I locked in profit right there. So I'll wait to see if we create a new high. And for now, we'll just sit and wait. We're still in a downtrend. Downtrend's still valid. We're just waiting to see if we take this low right here. I'm just practicing my scalps until we make it to the higher time frame zone. Meanwhile, on freaking gold, damn! Shit! Let's go gold. I'm good with it. Again, my goal is to knock out 10 points on gold. 10 points on gold, 50 points on NQ. I go back to the rest of my day. All right, let's see if we can fund somebody else's Apex account here with the next setup. Again, still nothing to do here yet. We're still inside of this move right here. So whenever this move is dead, I'm not going to long it back up because we're in the downtrend. So I want to play the shorts. Once the downtrend's completed, then I'll start longing it. But I'm also going to be looking to take a trade on my own account down here at this higher time frame demand zone and the retest of previous day high. You got long on that gold, man. We killed that shit. Dog walk that thing. If you took the shorts on NQ just now, that was easy money. All right, same thing, same type of deal applies here. We're just watching for price to break down one more time, and then we'll look for another break of structure here to basically validate a new high. See, every time we come down or we come up, it's to make a new high. And once that high is established, then we know price is either going to come back to the point of origin or 50% of the move that brought it here, right? of the high and low that previous high and low that brought it here. Remember, this is the high, this is the high, this is the low, right? That brought us up here, right? Or brought us down here. High, low tap right there. And you can see 509 was the level, right? So all we're doing, shout out to the Discord family. We talk about this every single day. Every single day. So now all we're doing, there's nothing for us to do down here because we're just going to let price figure itself out. If price wants to create a bullish trend, then it has to take out this high above 513. Otherwise, we're just going to consolidate in here until we're ready to go lower. Remember, we also have time that sets the appointment at 10:50 through roughly about 11:10, right? So around that time, if we're trading down into my demand zone between this time frame, then this is where I'm looking to trade longs coming out of this area. And before I take the longs, there's a reversal pattern that I want to see printed. That reversal pattern is going to look something like this, where we sweep down really aggressively into this level, right? First. Then we trade out of this level, second. Then we sweep that low, right? Third. Come out and then retest, and then we take off, right? That's what I'll be looking for my actual trade. Right now, I'm just practicing my scalps for my other accounts that I just want to scalp.
Yeah, right now it feels like that's all you can do on NQ. It's just like
that's why I'm practicing, because I'm like, let me sharpen up this scalping tool, because I feel like I'm just about to start just scalping to the next structural. Because I mean, look what happened. As soon as we tapped, we couldn't even get below structure. I would have been in pain right here if I wasn't squeezing everything out of the trade. It's like, why even suffer that pain? Just size up and scalp. Like, the market is definitely giving you these moves, right? So until we get ready to go to the upside, I just scalp. Whoa, see? That's why I scalp this shit. It's crazy. Remember, this high is a weak high now because it did not bring us a new low, right? It gave us equal lows or a higher low. So therefore, the market can easily take out this high now if it wants to continue to push. Price could come back into this origin of price right here at 500. But I don't think so. The way, looking at the tape, it looks like we're about to come up there and take that high, but we'll see. But price could do something like this, tap back into 502, just because we have this little supply zone right here that was formed. We could tap back into that and then start trading down to finally break the low. I'm betting on the bulls up here though, so we'll see what happens. Especially since gold's coming down too. Oh my God, what an exit on gold. What a freaking exit. I love it. I love it. Let's go. All right, next thing I'll be looking for on gold, if I transfer you guys over to my gold screen, the next thing I'm looking for on gold is we just broke above this high right here at 23.14.7, right? So because of that, high, low, whatever, right? This is the high that was taken. This is the previous low that was taken, or that started this run up. Therefore, I'm looking for price to tap back into this area here at 23.08.3, right? Because we just took this high. We took this high. So now I want to see us retest this low, and then I'll look to take the market long again on gold. If not, then we might just bounce between this area here. So that's what I'm looking for on gold next. And once I say I'm looking for something, you'll just see me kind of look up at the tabs, and I'm looking for a certain price. If I get that price, then I'll zoom in to see what's it doing up there.
Let's see if NQ is going to take this high or not. It's going to come back down and basically fake out, break out.
Yep. Yeah, this feels like another scalp, but I don't like the scalp, because this scalp right here to me isn't valid, because this high isn't valid, because it didn't bring us a new low, right? So I would actually take this off. And the only scalp that I would entertain is if we come back up here and like put in a higher low, a lower high. But right now, this both of these, this high right here and this high right here are in danger of being taken because it didn't bring us a new low. So let's see what happens. All right, they defended here. All right, no new high, no new low. So immediately that triggers my my senses that we might be pulling into a range, right? So immediately I should go into range mode, right? Where I don't look for 50%. Instead, I'm looking for highs and lows, right? i.e., we just broke below this low at 506, right? So I'm not looking for 50% taps anymore. At this point, I'm looking to short the highs and long the lows, right? Because if you look at it from this standpoint now, we can see that this is the low right here. This was the original low, but this is the original high up here, right? Inside of this high and this low, we got a nice little range, and the range is getting tighter. So we'll make it a true range like that. So I'll look to try to scalp the high once we come back up here.
Yeah, a lot of buying momentum's coming in right now. There was a ton of selling that just got ate right back up. See if we can push here, or if this is going to get shut down. I just want to see us take this high, bro. Take the high. Take the high. Jesus Christ.
He said, "What's up, fam? Buying high is a sport today." Yeah, basically. Let's see who can get the highest price is basically what the market's doing today. My bad. I'm showing you guys my you guys didn't even see. Okay.
What up, Yvonne?
Share this tab. What's going on, Yvonne? That was gold. Sorry, Knick-Knack. It's all good.
Oh my god.
I was setting up this trade and I didn't realize this is a paper trade, by the way, guys. I'm waiting on price to come down to the higher time frame, but this is me attempting to short the range, right? I'm looking at this as a range because we broke 506. We came down and we held 486, but we didn't put in a new low here, and we refused to put in a new high. So I'm anticipating price sitting in this range. So I'm going to paper trade a short at the top of the range and see if I can't take it back down to the low of the range. So yeah, we're tapping right into this area again. I want it to tap 50%. If it doesn't tap 50%, then it probably won't tap me in.
Are your limit ordering in?
Yeah, I'm pulling a Jonah right now. Dang. It's about to come and get me, Jonah. It's about to do me. It's about to come on, don't do me like that, bro. Don't do me like that, bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Of course, we just consolidate here.
Yep, we're in a range, bro. That's why I'd be like, oh my god, gold. Let's go, baby. The chart that I was showing you guys was gold because I'm setting up my next trade on gold. So it's sometimes I forget to share the other tab. Basically, the key is my keys are yellow is my point of origin. Pink is my chessboard. If you don't know what the chessboard is, you got to join a Discord for that. I can't give it out away. People will be mad at me. But pink is my chessboard. Yellow is my point of origin. And when you see me do green or red, it's supply or demand. So. Oh, no. Don't do me like that. It's about to do me. It's about to get me. Come on. Come on up here. Tap me in right here. I dare you. I double dog dare you. What up, Twice? We over here playing around with price. NQ, don't do me like that. NQ, don't you do it. No. Yeah, it's looking like all right. We're trading into this 1050 through 1110 macro. Remember, whatever we're usually doing inside of the macro as we come into it, we usually end up doing the opposite once we get into the macro, or we follow whatever structure's doing. If I had to put it the best way, and right now. We're trying to build structure, in my opinion, to try to start trading up. But I want us to dump first. I want us to dump all the way down to this 1 hour. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me look at ES. Let me see where ES is. You got a demand zone on ES right now?
No, it's just bouncing off of its prior supply.
ES hasn't come down at all?
No, I mean, it came down a little bit. It came down not to the 50%, but it came back down to prior 4 hour supply.
Jeez.
Yeah, but we're finding some buyers down here. So we're finding some buyers down here as well.
Yeah, I want to see us come down about 10 more points on ES.
Looks like we're building structure here to potentially take that high out.
Yeah, that's what I think too, but I'm gonna continue to play it like it's a range, try to short it. I should just bring my freaking sell limit right here, but I know if I bring it right here, I'm gonna be pissed because it's probably gonna go right to where I wanted to get where I wanted to get tapped in anyway. Essentially, what I'm trying to do is this: trying to short the market, like this here. Basically inside of this range. Oh my god. Sellers definitely don't want to let price push back up.
They don't.
Essentially, I'm trying to get a 6-to-1 here. That's basically what it is. Oh, you know what? I could freaking do my long position. My short dude.
Custom said, "How's making me anxious, and all I need is $200." Oh, I'm not buying it.
I'm sorry. My bad, dog. My bad. He said, "How's making me anxious." Why do I have 33 contracts on right now? What is happening right now? Hold on.
Wait.
Oh, my short position tool was set to 33 contracts. Okay. So if you guys don't know, you can use this short position tool to set up your trades inside of NQ. I mean, inside of Trading View. It's really simple. You set the short position tool up, and then you right click on it, and then you go down to create limit order, and you can set your orders. And when your order gets filled, it'll actually close the entire position. Don't do it to me, NQ. Don't do it to him. No. Come on, bruh. You disrespecting my order? No. Oh. All right, we're inside of that 1050 macro. Remember, I told you guys, once we tap into the 1050 macro, whatever we're doing inside of structure usually takes flight inside of this macro. I didn't get filled on that trade, but I was trying to get the tap of 50%. I was hoping we tap a little bit higher. But you can see inside of the 1050 macro, we were trading up into supply. And then as soon as that 1050 time frame came, right? The way I look at time, I don't study ICT. I have some ICT members in my Discord that give me all the information that I need about ICT. But what I love about ICT the most is these macros. I'm really falling in love with them. And the more that I study them, the more I realize like time sets the appointment, right? Fundamentals give people the reason. Data shows you the history. Price is price, right? And structure is kind of like the king of all of it, right? And I don't say that in a, let's have a competition of who's better. I don't say it like that. What I'm saying is structure is always going to be the determining factor of what happens when price arrives inside of the macro. Macro sets the appointment, right? And the results are based on structure. if that makes any sense. 1050. Yep, we're here. We're here.
Is that EVAL?
Yeah. But just remember what we're doing in structure right now is we're ranging, right? So if I was to draw another point of origin box, right, we would literally say this is the low right here, right? Point of origin down here. This is the low. This is the high. This is your range right now, right? For all my people in the Discord, you know the chessboard, right? You understand what this is. You know exactly what you're looking at. So if you're watching me on YouTube, I'm basically trying to illustrate to you exactly how I would be trading this, right? So if you don't understand what you're looking at, hey, you should. You should. But ultimately, we're inside of a range because of this, right? This is the reason why this range exists, is because when price breaks below or above a previous low or previous high, it goes into a consolidation. Now, depending on how strong that low or high is, determines how long, or basically where the macro is, right? It determines how long we stay in this accumulation. But inside of this accumulation, you can potentially take trades inside of this area if you understand the range, right? We created, or I developed an analogy that has to do with a chessboard, right? To really help people understand this, right? And we go through that, like I said, in the Discord, but Discord members will beat me up if I give it out, so I'm not going to. I've given it out before on this live stream, but you have to go back and watch every one to figure that out. So
it was the one 2 weeks ago and the one a week ago. It's every day. Just watch them all. You'll figure it out. And watch all of it.
$76 to pass the EVAL account. Thanks for the quick short, Hobbs. Hey man, I'm trying to put you on, bro. Try to put you on. You said you needed $80 or whatever it is. I'm trying to show you where it's at. Remember, if you're gonna trade the longs, you need to be really careful, right? Because the longs aren't in control, because this range was brought to us by the shorts, right? The longs could take control, but ultimately the shorts are in control of this range, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's hard to get long until we break above
yep, until we get above that high
511.
Yep. And now you can see the range is shrinking, right? So now here's a point of origin. The chessboard is starting to shrink, right? So now we're looking for this guy to tap. And this time we'll be looking for the actual breaker structure. So see how the chessboard is shrinking, because prices being gravitated, right? Prices gravitating to this. This is where the liquidity truly is. This is where the buyers are truly sitting. So the sellers are trying to push price down to, because think about it. If you're a bull and a bear, right? If you're a bull and a bear, right? And you want to get your true position filled, well, you got to kind of coerce the market, because retail can't do it. So you got to do it. This is where your true position lies. So you need to sell until you get to your true position, so you can buy the market back up and really make the real money. So you're buying back your own sell side positions. Like, it's freaking crazy. But when you think about it, that's all that's happening right here. So
yeah.
The walls are shrinking in on the buyers. Oh, good exit on gold. Dang.
Is gold dumping?
5 points down. We got out at 17.
Yeah, the VIX is trying to dump here though, but it's at its low, so it's interesting.
It should be dumping, because even though we're selling, we're entering into a supply zone. I mean, a demand zone. So buyers should be looking to fill their positions the closer we get to this area. Look at the tape. Look at all of that liquidity that they're adding at the bottom.
Yeah. Not to mention, there's a lot of buying coming up out of here right now.
Mm-hmm. I might want to take this short off. Hang on, let's see. We'll leave it on for educational purposes only. Put it. Okay, so all right. So now look at what's happening, right? Let's just zoom in a little bit, right? Although this low right here did not bring us a new high, right? It didn't. This low didn't bring us a new high. But inside of the range, you see how we're making higher lows? Is because what you can't see on the tape, or what you can't see on the book or on the charts, is what I can see on the tape. This fills in the blank for me, right? On the tape, I see value, I see liquidity being added here. And that's what would make me want to take this sell order off, right? I'm gonna take it off for now. But I see a lot of liquidity. This is the things you can't see on the charts. You see, it's like a rising tide, what I'm looking at on the tape. The liquidity is rising, right? And then you add that to what you're seeing out of structure in this particular area, right? You're starting to see structure aggressively push out. It's not closing, but it's trying to push out of this area, right? Basically, this entire consolidation, if we zoom out to a higher time frame, is probably building demand here, right? And you can see it on the 30-minute. You see how aggressively we're trying to push out of this area? See how on the 15-minute we're putting in a higher low right here, right? I don't like to buy in this consolidation because I know it usually gets swept, but these are good opportunities to scalp the market here, right? And here's that area where we should be looking to get short. Let's take a short here on the paper trade. Let's see if the bulls mean business, or are they going to come down? I'm going to short it. And I'm going to put my final target right here. I'm going to short it right here, 501. Because I think if we come back down, we'll try to take out this low. See what happens. There's your $78. 5 cons. All right. Again, practice makes perfect, right? So like practicing, like I have plenty of practice taking trades, entries and stuff like that in my higher time frame areas, but I don't practice as much the scalping because I just don't like to scalp. But the way that NQ's been moving lately, like it almost forces you to be a scalper, right? Or suffer, right? So
yeah,
5 minis
exactly
up 300.
Yeah,
it's just like yeah, that's just what it feels like to me. So might as well start getting some reps in, trying to scalp the market here. And again, if you're a scalper, you probably want to take something off as soon as you're up that 300. So let's trade like them. All right, so there we go. Uh-oh, we about to get smoked before we even a chance to freaking take something off. Come on, NQ, don't do this. Don't do this. Oh, that's what you want? All right, looks like we're trying to take this high here. If we come back down, I'll probably look to exit this thing.
Well, this high really doesn't matter. It's that high up at
Oh, this high matters. Well, it doesn't matter as much. You're right, because it didn't bring us a new low. But yeah, you're right.
Yeah. We need to take that 511 high out.
I guess for me, I was expecting the range to continue down. Like I'm looking at the ranges, it's getting tighter. So even though this high didn't bring me a new low, I was expecting the consolidation to continue down. Let's see if it continues. These bulls look angry inside of this little candle right here. I'm gonna need y'all to chill out.
Let me check on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. This 5 minutes looking real good.
5 minute and the 15-minute looks bullish. Bullish.
Did we catch the bottom?
No, I shorted it, so I did not catch the bottom.
I got in long. Once we broke and we couldn't hold that like 3 times, I was like, okay, I'll take a chance on longs. It's early, so it's risky. It was a risky entry, but if we can break above that high right there, I'll feel a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, it's a double bottom down here. I really like this for potential longs. I would just need to see us trade out of this area first, and then I'll look to get long on the pullback. But I'm looking at this as a scalp.
I'm viewing it as a scalp. I'm being very, very picky right now with how long I hold this because I agree. I got in at 96, so I'm up about 10 points. Well, I was up about 10 points.
Yeah.
So I'm just being very, very picky. Because you're right, this area is this area is not the area. If we push out of here though, it's gonna trap a whole bunch of late sellers. I just can't short down here. But I know you're scalping, but I can't get short.
I'm not doing anything. I'm paper trading.
No, I know. I'm saying I know. What I was saying was I know you're paper
I'm not
trading
doing anything.
You're paper trading the shorts.
Yes.
But
well, I mean, I think inside of this range you could do either one.
That's true.
I just think the shorts are in control because they brought this range here, but we could be ranging to go higher. I don't know. I think where you got long is what you should be doing at the bottom. I didn't get short down there. I got short at the high. It just didn't come down further.
Yeah, this might have been that tight inverse head and shoulders too on the 1 minute.
Could be. I think we come down one more time. I think if we break this high, I'll love this push out. But I need to see a little bit more to actually take it long. But we're getting there. We're getting there.
Yeah, I'm not liking that rejection right there. Let's see if we hold though. So we're gonna come right back down.
You get your $76 yet, custom barbecue?
Yeah, you definitely could have got it.
You could have got it both ways, bro. Either way. You could have got it short or long. All right, here they come. Come on. Come back down to Papa. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, man, Gold, you really gave it up there. God damn. Okay, Gold.
So you're coming right back down.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, we're just in this range, man. So if you're gonna take it, you should be just scalp it, man. Just take your bread at the high and get out. Just take the little 10 points and get out. Because until the market trades above this, it's just gonna continue to toy around with you. So just take the 10 points. Treat it like a scalp. Treat it like what it is. If it goes higher, then great. Now you know that it's gonna come back to this area. But while it's in this area, treat it like a scalp. Oh man, it's all good. It's all good. Twice. I've been there. Definitely been there. Yo, lower blow day. No, that's right. Yeah, we all been there, bro. We all been there. Ooh, there go them shorts. Get out of my way, Justin.
We're just playing around this area. This is trash.
Put a trigger to the upside. Man, were you listening? You listening to me? We're in a range. Do not long the high. Don't do it, man.
Oh, yeah, don't long the high.
Don't long the high,
you
bro.
You got a long here, but
don't do it.
It's
gotta try. Hey, you gotta throw it back to the streets, bro. You gotta throw it back to the streets. She for the streets. I'm telling you, don't hold on to these scalps. Ooh, all right, okay. I made $50. I'll take that. God damn, yeah. There. Okay, now it's time to get long down there. That was okay. That was a defense. That's what Justin probably would. He's like, I should have just waited on the defense. Yeah.
Nah, I took profit. I got back in.
All right, cool. That was a signal to get long right there. That right there was what you want to see inside of this consolidation. But I still need to see more.
I want to see this break and continue.
Yep. I want to see us trade out of this area because remember, if you guys are familiar with Stoic schematic, right? Right here is where that first tap usually comes in, right? And then we start to build value here, and then we end up trading out of this area, breaking this high, right? Once we trade out of this area, we usually break the high, and then we come back down and sweep the low, right? Which is what I'm banking on, right? Before we trade higher, right? So whatever the market wants to do down here, I'm cool with it. But I think Justin getting long down here in this inside of this consolidation is a good trade. I always pass on this because I always feel like the range always kicks my butt, right? And as long as we're not setting new highs and not setting new lows, it's still just range behavior to me.
I just got out again. I quickly scalped it. I don't.
Yep. Ain't no sense in it, bro. Is it don't, you know what I mean? Like, don't fight what it is. The market is what it is, bro. Like, let these girls, I mean, let the thoughts be the thoughts, bro. Throw it back to the water. You can't turn it over to a housewife, bro. You gotta let them go, bro. Let them go. They for the streets.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this high to break.
Yep. I'll just wait. It's gonna come back. Like, if it breaks, it might be violent. Maybe it'll make us feel like we're stupid and FOMO, but it always comes back. It comes back. Yeah, the more we do these market reviews, the more I realize, bro, we're just being impatient. Like, the market comes back. It always comes back. Always. The only thing that changes is your attitude and you know who you are today. The market does the same shit every day.
Yeah.
You just gotta be patient, man. Just don't. If you find yourself doing the same shit you did yesterday, just exit out of the trade and try to revamp where you are.
I'm gonna chill because the problem with this trade right now is this looks very, very similar to what happened
yesterday.
No, not yesterday. This looks similar to what happened earlier, where the market consolidated. We were making higher highs and higher lows, and then we just dumped. And look, we're doing the same thing this time. We're in between this range.
We're not making higher highs and higher lows though. The only thing we're doing is ranging because we're not putting in new highs and we're not putting in new lows.
No, I know. I'm saying,
but I know what you mean. Like, inside of that, inside of the, like, as we start to push back up to the scalp, we're making higher highs and higher lows on that push because that's how the market moves.
Yeah.
But inside of the range overall, God bless you. Inside of the range overall, we're still just holding the high and the low.
Yeah, like, right? This is still it's still
range, bro. That's why I like color coded all of these boxes so I can just remember, right? Like, okay, when my box is pink, it's because we're inside of our chessboard, which usually means we're in a range. When it's yellow, that's the point of origin. That's where I should be looking to trade inside of the range. When it's green and red, it's usually my higher time frame areas or a higher time frame or a 5-minute supplier demand. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, that just keeps me in check.
Yeah, I don't know. This is just a feeling, but it's also based off of what the market is currently doing. I have a feeling like we're about to either A, we're about to test lower prices, or B, like you said, we'll sweep this one more time to pick up the liquidity before we go higher, because I thought the sweep might have already happened, and it might have, but
it hasn't. It hasn't. Remember how this shit looks, bro. Look at my screen. We go through this every day, bro. This shit, a sweep do not look like this. It doesn't look like this. A sweep is undeniable, right? It's undeniable. Like, there's nobody in here that can argue what a sweep truly looks like before the market reverses. It's violent, it's unexpected, and it takes your breath away. This is a sweep right here. This candle right here is the sweep. See that? If we don't see that after we get a break of structure to the upside, the market ain't going nowhere. It's just going to stay in range and continue to trade lower, right? Sometimes it can do stuff like this, right? But again, even this happened after we broke above the high, right? And we came back down to this sweep, right? To defend this area. And we swept again before we took off. And then we did this crazy sweep to start the morning. The market is not volatile enough to reverse right now. So if it reverses from here, I'll just pass on it. And I'll wait for the sweep because it's going to come. It's just the more we watch it, the more we pay attention to it, the more we watch every candle, every single liquidity being put in order, market orders being placed, this and that, we get drowned in what we think is the push out. And it's not. It's not, bro. Yeah, it always comes back. That's a fact. No cap. right, Bravo? It's just it always, bro. Like no matter what you think you saw, when you get done trading, you're gonna go back and look at the market and you'll be like, damn, if you would have just waited 5-10 more minutes, 20 more minutes, an hour, the market will do exactly what you want it to do. Just like yesterday, we was in them shorts, but they sucked. And I'll be the first one to admit it. They sucked. Those shorts sucked. But guess what? If we would have just waited 2 hours, 2 hours, the market did exactly what we thought it was going to do. I put my paper trade on for 60 contracts and it hit right on the money because I didn't have anything, I didn't have anything attached to it. So like waiting didn't bother me. Just wait. Yep, it's coming. Now this is a liquidity sweep. See this? You would have been long and you would have been getting smoked right now. Absolutely smoked. Now you sparked my interest, NQ. Now I'm interested. Almost to that 1 hour demand zone that we just talked about. Almost there. Almost there. Remember, this is where all of that buying initiated from this morning. We could do one of two things here. We could come down and retest this and give us a nice entry, or we could sweep it and come all the way down and take out Tokyo before trading higher. And that level sits at 334. I'm very interested in this area though. 100%.
Yeah, this is the value area low on the day too.
Yep. This is where the morning push came from. So if it's gonna push, it's gonna push from here. Or like I said, go take out that Tokyo low. I should have held on to my damn short. Even my paper trade would have printed. But you guys get the point, right? Like you get the point. What I'm trying to illustrate here. I would prefer we come to 463, but I'm definitely not against us pushing out of here. But the goal is to just be patient, not be first. It's not to be first. It's to be patient, right? Being first comes with a lot of pain. Trust me. Just trust me on that, okay? All right. So I'm not trying to be first. I'm trying to be patient. We'll get our entry. I'll go grab something to eat. My head started to hurt, but we're getting close.
Ooh.
Getting really close. You'll see the bottom will be identified by a very, very bullish wick. It will come with an aggressive sweep, and then it will be an aggressive wick. After that wick comes and pushes us out, I'm going to look for a retest of that wick. Just mark my words on that.
Oh my God, bro. Okay, YM was trash, or RTY was trash, but YM straight flush the first 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Right back down to its low. Oh my God, YM. Why do you do this to me? Why? Or YM look like it's ready to reverse too. Wow. What is it? Take a paper trade on YM. YM is $5 a point. All right, there we go. Set up a trade on YM. Let's See what happens with that. And then keep looking at NQ, keep watching NQ. Hubs, quick make a PB and J while you're at it. Make me, oh Lord.
While you're at it, thanks. Oh, PB and J. I didn't even have time to do that. I just grabbed some Nutri bars.
Boring.
I want to see gold trade down to 2308. It's at 2313 right now. It might push from here, but I want to see it trade down a little further. It might pump from here though.
All right, so now we definitely want to see the market get above 508. That's the new high.
Oh, you're trading the Dow right now?
No. Oh no, I'm not. I took a I took a paper trade. I was just looking at the Dow like, damn, man. Okay. In 20 minutes, this thing moved straight all the way back down into demand. It had a nice little pop, and now it's come back down. I'm just trading it long, just on a paper trade. Just giving it $200. See if it comes back up to the high. But I'm watching NQ, but I want to see if NQ can push up above its high. Oh, and also too with NQ, we just tapped into this previous high that we rallied from the other day. Oh, you guys can't see it. Let me take this off. We're in a low volume area as well, but we just tapped into this area right here. This was the previous high of the overnight session, and we just tapped into it. And it looks like we're trying to find some buyers. So there's an extra added confluence. This is what I wanted to see. So see if we can come up and actually break a high, or if we're just going to continue falling down. On top of that, we got a pretty nice CVD divergence on NQ as well. But I think that's because there was a whole bunch of buying up in this area. So yeah, it's looking good for longs. But I'll be patient and see if this thing will actually push up. I don't want to take the early entry because that's going to be the scalp. I want to see if I can't get the continuation. I like this consolidation down here. Still just consolidating. Yeah, just a ton of consolidation. There's a ton of selling down here, like just an absolute ton on the tape. Jesus Christ.
All right, I'm back. I couldn't. I had to mute my mic because if I chew
You
on
was
screen, my wife
smacking.
would kill me. Yeah, she'd be ready to fight. I could chew the Nutri-Grain bars, but them damn Cheetos, it's bad. It's a bad choice.
Yeah, we're consolidating here. Let's see if we can pop back up and take out the high. All right, this consolidation's looking pretty bullish.
Oof.
Let's see if the market can push here. Man, what this price action? Man, that was a great exit on GC because
You watching it too?
right now.
I'm like, man, did I get out at the top or what? I was like, I'm looking at GC. I'm like, bro, what a freaking move. What an exit on GC. Lord.
Meanwhile, NQ over here playing games at this low. We are just like massively consolidating down here at this low.
You know, NQ's off my radar, bro.
NQ is trash.
Trash. Every time we even attempt to break a low, we just sit there and consolidate some more. Just accumulation, man. Massive accumulation on a downtrend. It's basically if you zoom out and just look at it, it's basically a stair step down, which is why I think we're just gonna repeat this elevator right here.
I got my needle appointment today, and man, the last time she hit a nerve so bad. Oh my god, I was hurting.
She struck a nerve, bruh.
Struck a whole nerve. I was like, Jesus Christ. Man, NQ and ES have both been super trash lately. Like,
Thing,
good Lord, have mercy,
horrible, bro. That's why I'm like, bro, learning other instruments.
Yeah.
Do it now.
Oh yeah, look at the VIX. The VIX is pumping. It's trying to pump anyway.
Yeah, that's trash, bro.
Hey, Yvonne, you still in the building, or did you did you bounce? Bro, trying to even scalp this for 10 to 20 points is like,
that's all you can do, man. 5, maybe 10. 10 if you're lucky when it's coming down like this.
Yeah, these market conditions are not it.
Feels like Christmas.
This is a scalper's paradise, though, honestly. If you're a scalper.
Yeah, you live in a dream right now.
Look, they just shifted down the pot. Oh my god.
He said, "Oh my god, just do something, bro."
I'll tell you what though.
What?
Crude oil has not been it today. That's for sure.
Shit, gold has. Gold and gave you everything you wanted. You could have shorted it. You could have longed it. It literally has followed all rules today.
Damn, I should have longed YM for real. I did.
I don't know why you be fading gold, bro. Like
no. I like gold. I like
everything but gold.
No. I like gold.
I'm take a shirt on this. I'm like, bro, I missed
the long. I missed the long on gold. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Okay.
Now I'm looking at the. Oh, now you want to alert me about this CL crossing back into demand, but I don't even care.
He said, "I don't even care." Oh man.
No, I'm watching CL, but I want CL to CL to come down to the 30-minute.
Yeah, I got just get out of there.
I got long on NQ at 488. I was like, if you're gonna consolidate down here, you'll at least make it back up to the high, right?
Oh, okay.
This is ridiculous.
I just want to see us take the freaking high and come back down and sweep the low. I'm just scalping NQ right now. You know, just make sure you scalping it because you be falling in love with scalps. No, you be like, yeah, I'm just scalping it, but man, this looks good.
No. I put my profit target up there at the high. We're literally like a point away, so I can't. There you go. Okay, I got filmed. So I literally,
that's the way you traded. That's the way you traded. Yeah, he's like, you know what? If you go throw me a trade, then you know what? Yeah. Give me that. Give me that.
Let me get to the high, and like you said, if it wants to break the high, I'll just get back in.
Yeah, you can get back in on the retest. Exactly. There's nothing wrong with taking those trades. I think that, you know, inherently we fall in love with those trades, and we shouldn't be. We should be using those trades. We fall in love with the
larger price target, and the market just ain't giving us the larger.
The market ain't giving that right now. So it's not giving it. So you take what you can get out the market. You scalp the hell out that shit.
Where's the guy that said no longs on Tuesday? I don't know.
He ain't sure. He ain't been back since.
He said,
no, he didn't say no longs. He said if you long the market, you're gonna get wrecked. Oh, okay. Get wrecked. Yeah. All right. Okay.
That is what he said.
All 4 of my stocks. Let's go, baby.
02. I need $1.98. Oh my god.
1 micro for the win, bro. You need $2, bro. Just don't go in the wrong direction. Just set up a nice trade and take that. Good job, baby.
You the market at the high. You be done already.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Justin doing it. Hey, Justin about to fall in love with scalping. He like, look,
I gotta scalp this market. There's nothing else to do. I waited till we got to a key area. We kept bouncing. I was like, all right, I'll just take this long for a quick scalp up to the high.
I just scalp gold. Scalp gold on the short side for $100. I was like, I just need 1 point.
I just got 200.
Taking forever to drop down. I said, I'll take you for 1 point. But it's the entry that's key, and using this short position tool. Mm-hmm. I'm using it on my actual account now, and I'm using the short position tool to set up the trade. it really keeps me disciplined because I know what my risk to reward is exactly. Because when my accounts are linked to TradingView or TraderVate, you can't see how much you're risking. But if you use the short position or the long position tool on TradingView, you can actually see how much you're risking. You can set that prior to the trade.
Yes. Oh, I've been doing that. I've been doing that too. I started
really
doing
love that, bro. I love that.
I only do it. I only do it if I'm I do it if I'm trading on the 5 minute, if I'm trying to get a larger move so I can see how much I'm going to risk before I put on the trade.
Facts,
if I'm on the 1 minute though, I'm not too worried about it because I know I'm not going to be risking a lot. Like I think on that trade I was risking only 8 points to make 20.
Nah, I think I just like to have it controlled. You feel me?
Yeah, no.
I just like to know where it is.
I also took the trade on TOPSTEP X, so I knew exactly how much money I was risking and how much I was going to make.
Yeah, 100%. That's why I say like specifically for these two instruments. But yeah, TOPSTEP X is where it's at in my opinion.
Look at this YM trade I set up. I hate you, YM.
Why you ain't taking
it? Moving, huh?
Well, it's still good to take, right? Like not right now, but when it breaks that high, it's basically moving just like NQ.
Yeah, no, it is.
You'll love YM too, by the way. That thing moves like NQ, but you get paid like ES. I love YM.
It's just that YM came right down into this consolidation area, bounced.
We got YM on TOPSTEP X.
Yes,
I think it's. I actually like that setup. Let me see.
Yeah, we got YM.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got the Dow. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this was a really nice trade. I gave it more than I needed to, but I could have just given it this. Yeah, it's moving nicely. See if we break this high here on YM.
That's all I'm waiting on. I just want to see the high broken, and I might just long YM instead of NQ.
It's moving so much nicer.
It always does. Always. I love it. It's just with the volatility, man, on NQ or just on the VIX, the NQ and ES have just moving like they've just been moving like trash, super trash. So, and again, I'm not knocking anybody that trades them. I love. Oh man, I could have killed that gold trade. Oh, it hit my profit target. Oh, my target was the freaking lows. I scalped it for $100. All I had to do was hold on to it. All right. I like this. This is fun. I like being a scalper. It's fun.
Yeah, I want to see if this comes down to this 30 minute. So we do this 30 minute.
So this is what it feels like to be whatchamacallit. To be Emmett. It would be like scalping is the way. And I'm like, no. Oh, this might be the rally actually on Dow.
Yeah,
because Dow actually, that rally up. Oh man, I just realized something. This might be the rally on NQ too, because that rally up might have actually been the scalp. And now we're trading all the way back down into the low. Oh, okay. YM traded all the way back down. NQ hasn't traded all the way back down.
Yes. That's why this long was such a nice setup, because you traded all the way back down. I was like, oh, I should have taken this for real.
So look at how Dow came down compared to how
I know. That's what I was saying.
Oh my god, bro. This was beautiful.
So nice. And I took the short like right
this
here,
was beautiful,
and we just came all the way. I said, "Oh my god, why Dow?"
Jay, what time did you look and see what time you took that short on NQ? I'm pretty sure it was at the
it wasn't at the same
candle.
No, I took it late. I was in that. I was in that short at 9:45.
9:45. All right, let me see something.
But Dow double top though.
No, look at Dow at 9:45.
Yeah, it was already on its way down. It was already half. It had already given back half.
No, I'm just saying, like you took the same particular. Like this is how NQ used to move, right?
Yeah, I know.
Like this is how NQ used to move. You would get short on that 9:41 candle, and then you would expect it to push down.
Yeah.
NQ's not moving like that anymore.
It's not,
and that's what I miss. That's what I'm talking about. I'm glad you showed me YM. I'm gonna show the chat this. Look, let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all YM, because this is how we're accustomed to NQ moving, right? And this is what I mean when I say like I miss the old days, right? Where Justin got short, right, was on NQ. He took his short right here at 945, right here on this candle right here. But YM gave the same setup, except it actually behaved properly, right? It broke the low, which is what we were waiting on, an aggressive break of the low. The previous low was right here, right? What you want is a 50% tap of the high and the low that brought us up here, right? This is the high and the low that brought us up here right here. This low and this high is what brought us up here. And you see we tap right back into that 50%, right? And then we trade immediately down, right? Like there's still a little like stop and goes, but in comparison, right?
NQ did a stop and go too for 2 hours.
Yeah, in comparison, NQ at that same time frame, this is shit I'm talking about. Like this is the same structural setup, but look at the wicks. Look at the consolidation, right? Same structural setup, broke the low, but then came all the way back up, danced around some more, danced around. These are all 1 minute candles. Dance, dumped, dance, dump, dance some more. It's like, bro, why we got to do all that? Yeah, because all you doing is shaking out retail, and that's why I say like NQ's the people's devil. It's like NQ be for the streets, man, because they gotta know everybody's all the retail is trading NQ, right? I mean, when was the last time you watched a YouTube anything? When you turn on YouTube, what is everybody trading? They're trading NQ. They're not trading the Dow Jones. Most people aren't. But I like the way all of it is moving, so like, why not? You know, why not?
Yeah, I agree. Well, looks like we're starting to finally break out on NQ. So I'm just gonna wait for a retest, but I think that nice $200 scalp. I'm not mad at that at all.
Beautiful. Young Scrappy.
Okay, Scooby-Doo.
Hey, why am I Scooby-Doo?
Because Scrappy's the little cousin dog or whatever.
Oh, I didn't even know that's where that came from. That's what I was talking about. I was like, I
also figured he was talking about
Scooby-Doo. I was like, wait, what?
The rapper. I thought about that too, but
I was like, who the fuck is Scrappy? Oh, you talking about Scooby-Doo. Yeah. Forgot that was his name though.
Yeah, the little dog. That's probably where Little Scrappy got his name. Nah, that's probably not where he got his name from. But that would be funny.
I would venture to say it has something to do with fighting. Yeah, it was, bro. Nut if you
that was
buck.
Crazy.
Nut if you buck. Nut if you buck. Come on, dog. You be trying to test my gangster, bud. You be trying to test my gangster over here, bro. I just want to see what he gonna say if I say this. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know you be trying to test Hobbs. I see you. All right, we about to be out of here on YM and freaking MNQ. Trying to be patient here. I know we about to take this high. I'm gonna just let it take the high.
Barbecue just landed my second Apex account.
Let's go.
Now go ahead and pay him that little 150.
Yeah, now tip the barber. You know what I'm saying? We'll take 10% of your first payout. Thank you so much. I'm just messing.
Why am out of there?
Yeah, she gone. I was trying to see if she's gonna pull back, but I'll wait for NQ to pull back then. So I think this might have been the pullback on YM. Like, I don't think she's coming back. I think if she trades above this high, she's gone. That's what I think. Oh man, NQ just so freaking wiggy whack. Wiki whack. And inside out is witty whack.
Ooh, Jesus. Okay.
Okay, NQ, my bad. I was just playing, dog. I was just playing.
Yeah, gold making its way. That 30
Making
minute
my way downtown.
YM out the building.
Yeah, YM on some Freaky Friday shit right now.
Oh, look at Apple.
I'm not even looking at the stocks. He said, all right, now we got the trade out of this zone. I just needed to see us break out of here. And I just want to see us come down one more time. That's it. And again, we could just rocket ship from here. I really wanted to see us come down. But yeah, we broke this high here. Whatever. Again, I've been trading other instruments, so I'm not really too concerned with what NQ is going to do, but we are trading into that 1150 macro. Yeah, 1150 macro. So we ended up coming out of that range super bullish. You see, we consolidated, swept the low, and then we came up. So beautiful sweep.
Yeah, we're back in that consolidation area, so I kind of expect for us to pull back. I'm looking for two different areas. I'm looking for 503.50 or all the way down at the low at 594.50. But we did create a smaller one minute demand, and a lot of times when we get like that aggressive, a lot of times they'll defend that area. So we'll see what happens. That was prior consolidation as well. We consolidated a little bit at that high, so we might come down. We might come down and use those previous highs as support. So we'll see what happens. So I'm in no rush. Ooh, okay, NQ.
Oh, okay, all right. I just love how the risk is so small on YM2. It's like structurally where you need to be, your risk is just like super small. Granted, you need a lot more points to get where you need to get, but just looking at a potential trade setup here, the risk is like only $100 on how many points is this? It's like 20 points.
I only need to risk. What was it? To the low was $105, and I'm up 290 on this paper trade. We're above the high now, so yeah. I agree. We have the futures is for everything on TradingView, CME, CBOT. It covers it all.
Yeah, it should cover everything.
Yeah, the only thing it doesn't cover is the CBOE, which is the VIX. That's the only thing it doesn't cover. But it's like $2. Yo, Apple is ripping right now.
Mm-hmm.
Anytime Nvidia is not going ham, Apple is just going nuts. It's like they take their money out of Nvidia
and they just go buy Apple, and then they sell Apple so they can get a better deal when they come back.
It's ridiculous. Yeah, and it looks like Apple and Google are kind of moving together.
My polar gold. They just sold off my little gold, bro. What an exit on gold. God, that thing came all the way down. I think it's almost time to re-enter.
Are we playing around at CL at this 30 minute that I got? Are we gonna? Or this 15 minute? Are we gonna hold this? CL, you gonna hold this or what?
Man, NQ just taking so long to do what we all know you're gonna do. We all know you're gonna do it. Heading into this 1150 macro, I'd be looking for NQ to sell off, come down and sweep the high or sweep the low here.
These ugly candles. I'm not trading CL. CL volatility is dead. Oh, GC's about to hit into that 30-minute demand though.
I told you I was looking for 2306, 2308 through 2306 for longs.
Yeah, I'm looking for longs on GC.
I think it's coming back up. It's trading down into the macro of 1150, so also bodes well for the appointment time. Damn, NQ, shit.
Yeah, we came right back into that consolidation and rejection.
Right into that macro. 1150 macro. It's almost go time. I expect a pretty aggressive sell-off here into this demand zone.
Yeah. Let's see if we can't hold this high over here. I'm watching GC to see if we can't take 2111 out.
2311?
Yeah, 2311. Sorry, did I say 21?
Mm-hmm.
Did you do something for me? Can you call the ops out for me? 21. Do your thing, 21.
I know the ops.
Thing,
his name is Justin.
Hell no.
Justin is a op. Justin is a op.
Not an op. I am not. Unless we're talking about an opponent against me.
If the barber is coming, it's all good, man. It's all good, custom. All to the good, baby.
Oh my god. Well, we just pulled back into VWAP. We also pulled back into looks like that previous high that we had.
All right, GC. Do something for me.
Oh, good lord, GC. Good lord.
Okay, GC, behave. Behave.
Take somebody's soul just got snatched in GC.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm waiting on 2306.8.
Somebody's soul just got snatched.
Oh yeah, they GC out here like, hey man, look, macro time. Remember, we're going up. Just long it, bruh. Just long it. No, GC, no.
Okay, NQ. Damn, NQ's left the building. I don't even want a long NQ no more.
I don't even want a long NQ anymore. He's like, I don't want to play around in NQ. It's almost time for longs on NQ. I think we come down one more time. Like I said, that's what I'm waiting on.
Yeah, NQ's just not coming back down to retest any. This is the games NQB playing where it's like it gets bullish and then it just never comes back down to test any structure. It just continues to move up and up and up. Now we're on swing 2. Yeah. Let me see. 5 minutes. Yeah, I really don't want any part of NQ right now. I'm good, NQ. Look at Apple go. Yeah, it's not coming back if Apple continues to rally this way.
It'll come back, Justin. It'll come back. It always comes back, bro.
I mean, I'm sure it will come back.
He said, nope, I'm not, but nope. I ain't buying it. Ooh, YM.
Sending.
YMCMB.
Sending. I should have just longed YM. Could have left this shit alone.
I warned you. I warned you about that damn NQ and his little friends too. Wait, his little dog too. Toto.
Yes.
Bro, this is nuts. Such a large freaking scalp, so to speak.
My God.
Where did NQ get this range from? Where the fuck are we? Huh.
Bruh.
What?
Just looking at RTY too. Had a beautiful short setup. This I might be. I might have to call this. I might have to call this on NQ, bro. What is going on?
I told you. I said, bro, just open your eyes and look around, bro.
NQ
Like
is trash.
we're only dealing with this on NQ right
trash.
now. NQ's not trash. It's just moving weird right now. Everything he said, no. Trash. It's trash. I don't care what you say. I'm trash.
Oh, okay.
Super weird right now. Like
GC alert.
Oh no. Oh, that was the long. Oh.
Yeah, it did push up. We just broke the
Let's see us get above. Let's see us trade above 2312. Let's see.
We double bottomed.
I like this. This is my area too. I might have to jump on this train.
Can you do something for me?
Come on, get above 12. Just let me know the freaking downtrend is over, and we good. You can get above 12. I'm good. All right, we're watching gold for longs here. We're tapping back into the 50% at 2310. We dropped all the way down to 2309.04. 2309.4, looking for a break above 2311.9 and a retest of this area. Take it long.
Yeah, that's a beautiful double bottom right there.
Just want to see a closure above that high. If not, it's going to trap buyers at the high and just continue back down. Okay, YM, you gonna let me in or what? See, you got some struggle up there. You know what I mean? Let me help you out. Pick up some of my liquidity.
Some of your fake liquidity?
Shut up, Justin. Nobody asked you. Nobody asked you how you felt about my liquidity, sir.
Man, look at NQ go. NQ ain't got no chill because Apple ain't got no chill. Oh my God.
I was about to say, I bet you ES is probably losing his damn mind right now.
ES is almost back up to its high day. I mean, I guess so is NQ really.
Oh man, look at the 5-minute rally-based rally right here.
The one we just printed at 11:45.
Yeah. No. Look at the one that we bounced off of at 8:40. I didn't see it right there.
Oh, yeah. That coincides with that level I was talking about at 7:25 last night, 19:25 last night.
Oh, does it? Oh, yeah. Damn, it does.
Yeah, that's why I was looking to get.
Oh, okay. That's why you were looking for the longs right there. I was wondering where the fuck this level came from. I was like,
yeah,
what is this shit at? Like, what are we bouncing off? Oh man, you should have said something.
I did say something.
I wasn't paying attention. That's because I think I was in a gold trade. I was like, man, I don't care what NQ's doing. But yeah, you should. Why you ain't long it right there?
I did.
Why you ain't stay in?
Shut up.
Okay, I'm just saying that was the. If I'd have known it was that level, I'm like, you definitely said it, but I definitely wasn't paying.
I did. I went for the high, and I sold it for 200. But yeah,
he said, I scalped it. I sold it for 200. You know what I mean? Like I made money, but fuck.
Yeah, I let go. I let go probably another 3. But whatever.
Yeah, whatever. It'll be another one. Like my wife said, the market isn't endless opportunities is what we get out of the market, and I concur with her. Love that girl.
But meanwhile, Apple's freaking sending.
Yeah, but it ain't sending the Dow. Like I need the Dow to send right now. Go Dow.
Wait, don't you want it to come down?
Yeah,
You took a long, didn't you?
I may have got in long. So,
oh, Lord.
I may have got in long. I just don't think it's gonna pull back anymore, man.
Chicago Sean, I did get in long. I was in long.
He
at
was
the,
in long.
At the bottom.
He was in long.
I was in
literally
long,
the bottom.
I was in long at 88, so I beat you, and I held this thing, and I got out at the high. The previous
Sean,
high, which was 506.
We took longs on other instruments and shorts on other instruments. I'm green on the day. I don't think I took any losses.
Yeah, I'm green on one account. I'm slightly red on my other account. I'm down like $62. I'm just looking for this gold trade to potentially play out. I like what I'm seeing. We didn't break that high though, but we're putting in a lower high here at the 50%. So
yeah, I'm currently long on the Dow too. I don't necessarily want to share my entry because I'm not too proud of it, but I also feel like it was a calculated entry on the pullback, so I'm not really upset with the entry. But yeah, let's just say, all right, fine. I'll tell you guys. I got in on the rally base rally candle of 1140, and I'm in at 39,637 on the Dow. I just wasn't confident it was going to come back down. And I was watching NQ, and I'm like, whatever NQ does, the Dow's going to do. So, and it's probably going to do it faster.
Oh, well, I mean, you're up somewhat nicely. How many contracts did you take? Just one?
Just one. Yeah, just one. I'm up $100.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm risking $100. He just is like, please stop going up. Please stop going up.
Well, I want gold to go up, and I want it to break. Okay, I'm glad I did. I'm really glad I did not get into that gold trade.
Did it dump? Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at.
I would have FOMO'd in, and I really want to see this high get taken first.
Yep. Just draw that box, man. I'm telling you, drawing that box gives me a psychological blocker. When you see the FOMO kicking in, just draw that box with the midline in it. Right. That's why you continuously see me draw those boxes, because I'm like, okay, I know that I have FOMO right now, but I can't see myself longing this if we don't come out of this box. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's why I continuously draw those boxes.
But Lord have mercy, this thing is ripping.
Damn, NQ.
Yeah, NQ ain't playing. The early entry on this worked pretty nicely, though. This is the one time where I felt like the early entry was safe, just because.
Well, I mean, I think you had the area laid out.
Yeah,
right? which was more important than where you were getting in, because what I determine as an early entry is based off structure, and based off structure, the scout was basically that big push out that we had this morning. It was one big ass scout.
Yeah, we're gonna push back up to the high. This is a very beautiful trade. It's all good though. I caught a piece. You can't catch it. You can't catch it all. So
no, you can't. You're not a Pokemon shopper, bro. You can't catch them all.
Pokemon shopper.
Is that what they call you guys when you're looking for Pokemon? A Pokemon shopper?
No.
Or no?
Oh, CL, Jesus. CL dumping. Where's Yvonne at? Yvonne, call the Bears. Call the Bears. Get short. Jesus.
Oh, YM looking sick over here. I need you to chill the fuck out.
Chill. Yeah, GC's over here just consolidating after a failure to break that high.
This is the slowest rally in NQ history, but it's so strong.
Yeah,
it's so strong.
Apple has had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 candles of straight buying.
Yeah, oh my God. Look at Microsoft. Oh my God. Microsoft and Google have left the effing building. This is my first time looking at the stocks. Oh my God. I told you Meta be telling the story before everybody, bro. Remember when we was dumping all that time? I was like, bro, Meta is going nuts to the upside. Meta just broke an all-time high.
Of course it did.
Meta be telling the story, bro. Meta be snitching. Whatever Meta does, that's the market usually ends up doing it. I'd be like, yo, NQ going nuts. Oh, you've been in since 490.
Gapped up heavy.
Damn good entry.
Oh my God, Apple has zero chill.
What you doing over here, Gold? What you trying to do?
damn thing.
I think
We broke the high. Okay, can we just close? We just close.
I think we try to go here. That's what I was looking at. Go. What you doing over here, Go? What you up to? You try to lead a building too? I see you go.
All right. Now just close, come back down, retest this high, or retest 2310, and we'll be good. Or just take off and don't care.
Or not.
The bad thing too is that we retested the midline of that double bottom right there and pushed off, so we might not come back. I think we might have already put that inverse head and shoulders in the market.
I'm trying to tell you, look at the 15-minute candle. It already put it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, that the entry was at 2310.
Yeah, that's where I had the midline at. We might come. Maybe we come back down one more time. Come on.
Anything's possible.
Yeah, I mean it's possible. The likelihood is small, but who knows? Maybe we come back down here.
Nah, I mean it's in a downtrend. It's still in a downtrend until it breaks the high. It's just a really nice candle in a 15-minute. Oh, it did break the high. Never mind.
Yeah, but we're coming back. We're coming back down. So maybe we come back down. We retest 2310, or at least come back down and test 2311.
Stranger things have happened.
Put my stop below that low. Cool. Not the ultimate low, but the prior low. Just don't burn me, GC. Don't burn me.
Yeah, because we're tapping into that other structure at 2312 right now. So the buyers up there could be getting pissed. I mean, the sellers up there, yep, they come into play. Because this could be that head and shoulders print the other way. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Anytime we sweep up like that and we fail, it always makes me nervous.
Well, that was the first break and close of that high right there.
Oh my God, this thing just flushed.
It did. It looked pretty ugly. All right, we're retesting 23.10.7 now on some pretty strong, aggressive selling.
Meanwhile, NQs is going straight up.
Good Lord, have mercy.
NQs is going straight
Fumble that bag.
Okay. Now I'm looking over here.
Yeah, I know.
I just wanted to see us defend this area.
Oh, wait. Oh. Whew. Y'all almost messed up. Almost bought five contracts of gold right there. That would not have been good.
Because especially since the fills ain't like NQ, like you don't get fill like on NQ. You get fill like 3 ticks out of the money.
I could just limit order in.
Yeah, you could.
I won't though. I'll just mark it. It's fine. I can definitely tell because sometimes the candles be skipping and whatnot.
Yeah, you get like you when you get into gold, you're automatically down like 2 points, 2 ticks or something like that.
Oh my God, like that? Like how they just jumped right there?
You'd be so dramatic. Oh Justin be cracking me up. Are you in yet?
Man. Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, I was about to say you should be in now. All right, let that trade play itself out. Let's see what happens over here. What we got here? Freaking NQ, man. Came all the way back up to supply. Let's see if we take the high here on NQ. The more NQ pumps, the more confident I get in my Dow Jones trade, and it's pushing. Oh, it's going. Like I'm not even watching my Dow trade. I'm literally watching NQ, and I'm just like, as long as NQ's still pumping, Dow's gonna pump.
Here goes gold.
Yep. Gold should be next. We can just go up and take that freaking high and just pump the rest of the day, hopefully. We've done enough of this whack sell-off crap. It's not for you, gold. It's not what you do. You only go up, bruh. Oh. Okay, that can't go back quick.
Yeah.
Okay, that shit back quick. Yeah. No. Oh, my God. I just hate
Yeah,
it.
the only problem with gold is that we didn't close above the high in the 5 minute. That's kind of not good, but we'll see.
Yeah, the high on the 5 minute looks like that Head and Shoulders that I got into last night and got smoked for break even. See that shoulder at 23.11.9?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I still trust the buyers on the left.
God,
There.
NQ
Still pushing. Yep. She gone. She for the streets.
Yeah, she never came back.
She out of here.
Man, I had the bottom too.
Don't sweat it, man. Off to the next trade.
Oh no, I'm
go ahead, Dow. Okay. Up another couple hundred on Dow. Should have bought some more contracts.
I also caught the bottom of the Dow too.
Yeah, you did. You just paper traded it. That's why I was like, bro, why you ain't trade that for real? You like, I don't know.
I mean,
check it out.
I honestly, I've never traded the Dow before. I didn't know how it moved. I just saw it move, and I was like, "Yeah."
Literally moves just like NQ, but faster. I mean, not faster, but smoother.
It's definitely
NQ's
moving smoother.
High. Oh, we're about to print on this Dow trade, baby. Let's go.
NQ's coming for that 2 hour. NQ's gonna get back up to that 2 hour. Oh yeah, we about to get hit over the coals with this gold trade right now. This 5 minutes.
We probably should be looking for shorts on gold when the NQ is pumping like it is. To be honest with you,
which is crazy because not normally, but NQ has been pumping the same as gold. Like that when they do sometimes pump together. This is pretty.
That's true.
Right now.
That's true.
If we break 50%, I'm probably just gonna get out of this trade. We just put in a lower high. This is not looking good.
And we'll see if we break the 50. If we break the 50, I'm out anyway. Damn, NQ? What the?
Yeah, NQ.
What is you on? Yeah, some steroids over there.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
NQ.
Well, go to 600, baby. Only way is up. Right outside of that 11:15 macro, 11:10 macro. Bring that beautiful 5 minute candle. Damn, bro, I can't believe you sold that one.
No, I mean, how could I have known that we was gonna rally like this?
Who told you to steal that for a scalp? That guy. You should never listen to that guy.
Yeah, well, you know.
It's like, you know.
It's like,
oh my move. God,
straight up.
All right, I'm done with gold. I do not like that finish, that 5 minute finish. I don't care if it pumps from here or not. I do not like that. Yeah, right, that's why I got out. I was like, yeah, I'm good. I'm good, gold.
All right, gold.
I see what you're trying to do here. You're trying to take some more money from me. I'll take an $80 loss on that trade. Thank you very much. I'll wait for the next pickup point. See if you want to pick up price down here, 2306. Just a straight sell-off, bleed out from that initial pump. That initial pump this morning. YM is sending though, up 250 on YM. Nice day in TOPSTEP today. Wasn't expecting that. Yeah, I feel way more comfortable trading like gold or YM with the 1 mini inside the funded account for TOPSTEP. Because I just feel like I can manage my risk so much better. And I don't have to deal with all of that craziness that's going on over there on whatchamacallit. All right, we're tapping into this high over on Dow. I want to see what NQ does at this level, because this is a very key level on the Dow. This is where all of that selling started. So yeah, I'm out of here. Don't like it. Don't need to show me more than that. 2 candles of aggressive selling. That's all I needed to see. Out of here. And that supply on NQ too. Nope. I'm out of here. Question is, after all of that buying, is NQ finally going to come down this time the right way?
That is the question.
Justin Short.
No, I'm not short.
Snitching. Snitching.
No, I did get back in long on GC though. We tapped back into that 1 hour. We bounced, so I got back in long. Try one more long here.
All right. Yeah, I cut my Dow trade.
Yeah, if this don't work, I'm probably just gonna pack it up for the day. All the day.
Straight buying for a straight 2 hours on NQ, just straight up.
Yeah, we're just struggling right here. I'm putting that new high, but I'd like to see us start to push, but on gold, but I don't know. We'll see.
Oh, I think NQ's about to take another leg because it looks like Nvidia might have found the bottom. This looked like an area where we could look for sales though, but NQ look like Nvidia looks like it's revving up. Oh, okay. Maybe she wants down. I don't know. That was a lot of buying we just did.
I'm hoping for them boom candles on GC, like, bro. Just give me some volatility, GC. Just give me some volatility.
NQ's moving right now. You might want to think about shorting that thing.
Yeah, I see NQ moving.
Oh man, I gotta get ready to go. What time is it? Oh shit, it's 11:15, bro. I gotta go.
What you gotta do?
Go.
What you gotta do? There we go, GC. Let's go, GC.
Gotta prep my son's food.
Oh, he got tracked today, right?
Yeah, his track his meet is like an hour away though. It's like all the way on the other side of town, and the price is clean. Oh my god, yeah. The downtrend wasn't that clean on NQ, but the uptrend was beautiful.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Mid.
I just took one loss, but mostly green on everything.
Today was mid for me. It was a midday. Although this GC trade's playing out pretty nicely right now. See if we can.
I was about to say I didn't trade a lot of NQ. I traded a lot of gold and took a couple YM trades. I am short on NQ right now though.
Let's go, gold. Push. I feel
like if gold's gonna push, NQ's gonna come down.
Oh, okay, gold. You son of a.
No, they don't.
Bro, look at this. Look at the 1 minute candle. It did it in like 5 seconds.
Oh yeah, it don't take no time now. If you're in the wrong direction.
God, I gave back half of what I was up right there.
He said, God. Yeah, to slide down on your
that 1 minute supply is just like, oh my God, bruh. Chill out, gold. And yes, Void, I am long. I'm long on gold though. X futures. Oh no, you like to short. Okay, you like to short things, so you're good.
What'd he say?
He said I'm short NQ, or she. I'm assuming you're he though. But.
Yeah, I'm short NQ as well. I'm short up at 557. All right, mama, take it easy. Peace.
Oh my God. Gold. You looked so good and then you double topped.
Yeah. I feel like gold's trapping. Kind of like NQ. Kind of like I feel like I'm in a trap in NQ right now too. Dang, freaking lawnmowers. I've been at work for 3 hours.
All right, if this thing pushes below, I'm just gonna stop by this trade early. All right, good defense. Good defense. Good defense. We like that. We like that.
This man like right at home.
My bad. Just want to see what the hell this was. It's a little crazy. Come on, GC. Push out. let us all win.
Come on, GC.
Okay. Okay.
He said, "Don't assume my gender. I'm he, bro." Nobody assumed anything. By Icky short, okay.
Yes, I'm still long on GC. Yes. Well, I'm still long. I'm barely in the green right now. But X futures. Are you from Britain? Because you said brev. Oh, I only know people who Diddy. I only know people from Britain who say brev. I like the longs down here though. We tapped in the 30-minute demand. We got a bounce. We put in a new high. We came back down, stopped me out, but I got back in because we held a 1-minute demand zone that caused a pretty massive rally. So I don't know. We'll see. I think we also broke the downtrend that we were in as well. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we also broke out of the downtrend too. So I mean, we'll see. We're consolidating. Let's see what happens. I have not had very much luck trading GC though. I will say that.
It's not about luck, bro. Just trade in the wrong direction.
Oh, yep. I knew you was from the UK. Yeah.
Every time we tap into 43.12, it keeps rejecting. You keep longing it into 43.12. It's going to keep rejecting until it takes out the high. It's not luck.
What are you talking about?
43.12 on GC. I mean, not 43.12, 23.12.
Oh, yeah.
23.12.4. The market's in a downtrend. It hasn't broke the downtrend yet.
Yeah, I mean,
longing it, expecting it to push it above 23.12.4. So,
well, we did break the prior structure. So, we broke and held above 23.11. We broke it again, but yeah, we did double top there, but we're also moving sideways right now. So potentially that downtrend might be ending, but it might stop me out before I get a chance to. It's coming.
That's what I was gonna say, but the downtrend doesn't end until we get above 23.13, especially if we keep rejecting 23.12 like that.
All right, I'm out.
We basically put in a head and shoulders right there again. Oh my God, I freaking hate shorting NQ. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. I'm getting out. I just can't do it. I can't do it. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know if it's like, it just inherently feels stupid every time I'm in a short on NQ. I just feel dumb. Like, I just feel so dumb when I short NQ. I'm like, bro, like, why do you have to do this? Put me through so much pain just to take one trade down. It just doesn't want to come down.
Yeah, I probably would not be shorting NQ, to be honest.
I shorted at 557. I got 7-8 points out of the trade. I'm out. It was on a mini, so I'm good. I scalped it and got the fuck out. Yeah, I was just shorting. I thought we were getting a double top or a equal high put in at that 4-hour supply zone. Damn, Gold? Damn. Did we come all the way back down? Okay, wait, we're at my level now. Okay, now let me look at gold.
We done.
We're definitely at my level now. This is definitely my level. 2308 was my level I've been talking about all day. All right, let me see this. Now we talking, baby. Now we cooking with some high grease. Let's see. Let's see what gold got for me down here. Let's see. I like that sweep. Tap right into the 50%. Let's see if we want to hold this. I looked up. I was like, 2308? Nah. I thought that was a good estimate, but damn, you actually gonna hit it. Okay, go. Let's see what you got for me.
Go, can you do something for me?
Ooh, there it is. Come on, go. Get up out of here, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, go.
Of course, I was just too early on gold.
I told you it was too early. Come on. Don't get rejected by this high, mother lover. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. I think these shorts might come in on NQ for real. You gotta with gold, you gotta follow the rules. So like that high and that low at the high at 925 and the low at 950. That's where I got that 2308 level from. I should have been in at 2308, but as soon as I saw it, by the time I got to my TOPSTEP account, it was damn near at 2309. I was like, okay. So it could work out. I think that this might be close to the bottom. I mean, we've been selling off for a while. I'm sure the market's not just going to ignore all of that buying that came in. I hope not. NQ's looking like it wants to sell off, so maybe gold gets a push. I think with gold, you just got to manage your risk and really, you got to really trust the levels, because if you wait too long to get in with gold, it'll just rip your position up. And I'm not liking how we're not really pushing out of here right away. So I'm only risking $40 now. I want to see us get up out of here. Come on, NQ, dump so gold can push. It's not your turn anymore. It's gold's turn. There you go, NQ. And there's that retap of 557. That's the second tap and failure on NQ. So we'll definitely be looking for shorts up here. All right, gold is starting to push up. I really want NQ to dump, because usually when NQ dumps, that means gold's gonna push. NQ, chill out. You know what? Maybe y'all can do it together. Maybe y'all can. Oh no, nope. Go. Okay, gold. Oh, all right, gold. Chill out. I already know where this goes. Come on, man. I'm only risking $30. Like, just make it happen, bro. Just go. Go be with your gold partners. Go be with your family. All right, there goes NQ to the downside after that second tap of 5.7. Gold's trying to push up. I was trying to get long. I was trying to get short on NQ. I couldn't stomach it, man. Call me a punk. Call me whatever you want to. but I just can't do it. Hobbs, you looking at too much charts? Chill, focus on one. No, I'm chilling, man. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. But when I'm looking at NQ, I'm only really talking about it for you guys. I'm genuinely not trading NQ. Like, I'm just not trading it. I just hate it. Right? Like, I'm literally, what I'm actually trading is not NQ. That's why it sounds like I'm looking at mini charts, but I'm not. I'm literally looking at 4 charts right now. But I'm looking at them at certain times when they hit certain areas. Where my actual trades are coming, every time I short NQ, I get screwed. So I just don't touch it. Me and NQ have just not had a really good relationship lately in regards to price action. So I know what I'm doing, man. I'm long gold at 2309.4. I told you guys 2 hours ago that I was looking for gold to tap 2308. If you go look at gold's chart, you can see it tap 2308 on the dot, and now it's sending. I got over here a little late, so I put the trade on, and I'm good. I'm just calling out what NQ's doing. I'm not trading it. Just because I don't like shorting NQ. It's just a pain in the ass to short.
It is.
I'm talking about NQ because I know that's what a lot of people trade. Like, I normally trade it, but right now it's been an ass, so I just don't trade it. So while I'm calling out NQ while reading the tape, I'm also trading gold, right? Because why not, right? Oh, NQ, behave. Just do something. Jesus, Luis.
Oh man, NQ over here playing with its food.
Are we going DGen mode for NFP? I don't do DGen mode, bro. My risk is always managed when I take a trade. Always. That's the one thing that keeps me in the game. Is I always manage my risk, and I do it pretty well. And I used to do this thing where, like, I would put the risk on manage, and then I'd be like moving my stop. And next thing you know, I'm like in real drawdown. I'm like, uh-oh. So nah, there will be no DG in it for me. Plus, I don't think I can trade non-farm with my my take profit account.
Yeah, you can't.
Yeah, so I'll trade it if the trade presents itself in my TOPSTEP account. I'll take it. I'll take it long. It's going long. Let me just save you guys the suspense. We're going up tomorrow. There. No need to watch non-farm payrolls. Tomorrow we go up. It will probably pump all day. So by the end of the week, we'll probably put in new all-time highs. At least that's what I told myself in my top-down analysis. So it must happen. RIP to all those Bears. They just got slaughtered in the filming of this video.
Here goes GC, working its way back up.
Mm-hmm. The longer NQ starts to sell off, the more I think gold starts to pump. Again, NQ still sitting up here at this supply zone. It looks exactly like it did the last time we came up here, right? I think it was yesterday. We came up to the supply yesterday. It was looking the same way. Just looks weak. Looks like a weak rally coming up here, right? Anytime we tap here and then we come back up and tap here and put in a lower high, the trend's not over to the upside because we haven't put in a lower low, but we continue to tap and put in these lower highs. So meanwhile on GC, pew. Come on, go up. What are you waiting for? The longer you stay up here, the more I'm gonna get nervous and start moving my stop up. So if you don't want me to move my stop up, I advise you to start pushing. That's an order, sir. Lock it in $10. The longer I watch a 15-minute candle completely stall out, bro, it does not give me warm and fuzzies. Y'all know I'm the king of selling out, bro. They be like, bro, what are you doing? Hey, I'll be in capital preservation mode. There's certain things that I see, I be like, I don't like it. Staying up here too long. See? Look, see that candle? You see that? That's why I be like, nope.
That's what hit me.
That's why I adjust to it. All right, lock it in $30. Whatever you want to do, NQ. Whatever you want to do. Risk is managed. I don't fall in love with the position. Like when we stop and we stall out right there at 23.11, I got one job, and it's to protect my capital. Right? If we're gonna stall out and have this aggressive push down, like, no, you do it without me. Give me my money on the way down. Fill me, bro. Fill my cup. All right, we out. $30. I thought we'd push up, but we did not. We did not. And maybe we still push, but I don't know. I don't like it. So just move on. Move on. All right. I think that's it, man. It's 11:34, bro. Unless you're trying to stay here all day. Like,
no, because I gotta get going here soon. I got an appointment.
Cool. Really good day on this end. I do enjoy, like I told my Discord, I said, hey, while NQ's on, some weird stuff during the PM or the AM session, I said I was gonna start moving on and looking at other instruments. Yeah, be careful out there. But you guys have a good one, man. My name is T Hobbs. That guy over there is Jay Seals. This is the Trader Shop. Make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. And we'll catch you guys tomorrow on the next one, man. Peace.
Yeah, but